Oh, hello, hello. Can you guys? Hello, hello. Mic testing. Are you stream अटक गई? Internet is laggy as fuck. Fixing it. Nothing will be fine now. Hello, hello. Is it better, guys? Can you hear us now? Hello, hello. Mic testing, mic testing. Mic testing. 1, 2, 3. Is it still lagging? Hello, hello, hello. Can you guys hear us? Can you guys see us? Is it still lagging, folks? Hello, hello. Mic testing, mic testing. Are we good to go? All right. I think we're better now. No lag. We can solve the super devs assignment together in a bit though. All good? We will start. Alrighty. Hello, hello. Volume कम कर दो भाई. We can start. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How's everyone doing? Can you guys hear us? Can you guys see us? Give us a GM in the chat if you guys can hear us and see us. We will kick things off in a bit. Tonight's going to be a long night. We're going to try to build a startup on Solana, and we have a few ideas. It took us 4 days to come to some sort of a version of an idea. So we're not very we're not super sure of the idea just yet. Well, let me introduce the panel for today. If you guys can see everyone here, we have Dhruv Soul. His Twitter handle has soul in it. He does a bunch of validator things on Solana, and he's here in the school for the last few months. We sort of kept him here. Echo, is there an echo? There is an echo. That is probably. Is there an echo? All right. Then we have Tux, जिसका real name मैं खुद भूल जाता हूँ. Tux or Naman. He did a bunch of things on Ethereum, and now we're trying to get him to Solana. So he wanted to do a bunch of ETH things today, and we rejected all the ideas. He also sort of stays here in the campus from time to time, and he's on tux.rs in case you want to ever meet him or see him. Then we have Sorghum. Sorghum, say hi. 1 second. Yeah, that's Sargam. He'll probably do some, I don't know what he'll do today. He's about to go to the gym. They might not join us completely. Then we have Yash. People can see you, Yash. We're also going to the gym very soon. Then we have Akash. You can see the 2 fingers. And we have Chaitanya, who's right now, I think, talking to someone. But he'll be back here soon. That's the panel for today. We're going to try and build one of these ideas. And Rishabh is not here. And yes, your spot is gone, but thank you for the 400 rupees. We'll kick things off. We have a few ideas that we think are nice to build on Solana. Solana keeps on doing hackathons. There's one right around the corner, around 3 weeks. So we thought, why not make something and see if we can submit it for the next hackathon, because the price pool is usually pretty good. And also more than that, you can always convert this into a startup. So we have 6 options right now. Let me share a brief about what those are. And then we can brainstorm more ideas. Very honestly, we haven't yet finalized an idea. Very high probability the idea changes as well. So we'll see if we stick to this idea or if we do something else. But we'll try to finish the stream before 3, 4 a.m. We'll not grind until 7 in the morning like we usually do. With that, if you guys have any ideas, please let us know. We've been brainstorming for a bit. We'll probably continue the brainstorm live here. Honestly, we were supposed to start the stream at 7. But then we just kept on brainstorming ideas. So we thought might as well do that on the stream. So we're going to discuss a few ideas. If you guys have ideas, let us know. For example, I see something that 𝗠𝘁𝗲𝗃 suggested, build a decentralized cancel culture court protocol. I think he's kidding. I don't think it's a thing. And no other ideas. So I think we can just decide amongst ourselves. Personally, amongst the 6, I am excited about first one and this one and maybe 𝗥𝗲𝗳𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. These are my picks.
I'll take 𝗟𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 and set a limit order book. Just that.
That's it. Tux.
I'll take 𝗟𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 and pole.1.
Pole.1. Sargam.
gRPC
and
pole.1.
Pole.1.
Yash
and Sargam
Nice.
alike. And Akash, your call.
𝗟𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗀.
Probably have the decider over here.
gRPC.
ARB bot it is. So most probably we'll try to build an ARB bot. Very low probability we're actually able to create an ARB,
Yeah.
but you never know. Dhruv runs a bunch of validators, so we'll be very close to the action, at least on the DEX side. On the SEX side, unfortunately, we have to make sure we're very close to a centralized exchange server, which we don't have context on what is, where they exist. Most of them exist in Japan, at least for Binance and Backpack, which is where we'll try to do the ARB and see if we can execute it. So it'll basically be a DevOps heavy stream. What we'll be writing won't be as much. We won't be writing too much code, or the code is fairly easy to write, at least initially. The people who win over here are the people who sit close to the DEX and the centralized exchange. So we'll see what kind of challenges come when you're trying to do something like this. All right, have we finalized the idea, guys? Last call in case you want to do something else.
Audience poll.
We'll start with an audience poll as well.
I think you need to explain like each idea.
Let me explain every idea and then we're going to choose off. Let's all take one idea and try to explain it. I'll explain the first one. An ARB bot is nothing but an arbitrage bot, which basically means if the price of an asset at Binance is, let's say, 206.79 right now, and the price at a DEX, let's say Meteora, for the same asset is, or Jupiter, the current price of Solana here is 214.38. The current price of Solana here will be very close. It's 214.38 only. So this,
Cents. So
0.2 cents.
yeah.
and we also have to pay gas fee. There also might be slippage.
Yeah.
So is this even an idea to pursue?
Right? Well, we are considering this is like we are getting routed through Octo's router. That's bad. Maybe check on Radium where it's.
Wait, this is the best price, right?
Yeah, this is the best.
We don't
price.
want the best price.
Yeah, we want the worst price on one of them.
So yeah, let's try Radium.
Radium has a try here.
So here, if you look at the price, it's hopefully a little worse. The price
Maybe a
is
little worse.
What's the
2-1.
2-3.
Yeah, we'll get like 2 points.
Almost the same.
Almost the
Same only.
Almost very close.
So we have to find a very liquid market
Yeah.
or
WBTC or something like that.
or a very bad token. Like we can also look for a different token. Let's say bomb.
Long tail assets. Search for BTC. BTC here and BTC on Saber. So there is a good arbitrage. SaberDAO.com. It should be SaberDAO.com or something like that.
Isn't it saber.so?
No, they shut down that. It's now Saber.com.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are right.
Saber.so.
This one?
Yeah. There should be some page to.
DApp.
Yeah, I agree.
Alrighty. What's the price of
You open any WBTC.
ZBTC? This is
Yeah,
good.
this matter.
The volumes are really low.
Yeah, that's why the pool is, we can easily imbalance it. High
Okay.
chance.
So what's the price here? How will we see
Hard
that?
to see. Is there a swap? They have swap in there?
It's between ZBTC and WBTC. Let's find one.
No, they'll have only same pair tokens. This is like a stable swap.
Oh, it is a stay. Okay.
Yeah, it's a stable swap, 1-to-1.
So यहाँ पे how do you do an ARB?
So idea with ARB is that you don't do so enter by Sol. So either you stack Sol or USD, You enter via Sol.
Okay.
You in middle go somewhere else. So either I can go into WBTC.
Okay.
And then swap WBTC on Saber and swap it out on Radium.
Backwards.
And then after Radium, I swap back to Sol.
You'll probably make some profit.
Yeah, and the difference in amount of Sol out should be more than what I get in,
Makes
plus
sense.
fees included. So that should. And these pools are usually imbalanced because the liquidity is low.
Makes sense. How do we see how much? So why does it say 97%?
Do one thing. Go to Jupyter and try swapping for WBTC. From BTC, it should route through Saber. I don't think so anyone supply
WBTC to ZBTC.
or any, or even like USD. So you do USD so you can see price and stuff.
Okay, perfect. Let's do that. So this was a clear ARB, right? I give one WBTC, I get back
Yeah,
1.01.
but if you do you need another pool where ZBTC is like
Liquid, yeah, makes sense.
So
You're right.
you have to stack that way, right?
Yes, you are not wrong. We will have to make sure we can get rid of the ZBTC at a good price, right?
Yeah.
But Bitcoin the price reporting that 0.00 is a huge amount, I guess.
Yeah, that's a very good amount. It's not cents.
Looks in numbers.
It's like $1,000 or something.
Yeah,
Okay.
but we don't have 100k liquidity to get in as well. So.
Flash
That's
loans is a thing. That's what I've heard.
Yeah, we do, but we
And we have
need
100K.
transaction size limits. That will be a problem because this is routing through. Click on the panel. Yeah, insufficient
this
funding.
one, right?
This one. It's routing through OKX ka router, right?
Hmm.
Fucking, we are getting still set best price. This is not the worst price.
Yeah.
Increase the size. It should not. We can do it in settings. Like V2 that where there. Yeah.
What do you
go
want to
manual. And
Well, you can select the actual route to take or something.
yeah, I was thinking.
There you go.
Yeah, you can turn off all these like Jupyter Z. Jupyter Z is their market maker. DFlow is another market maker. Yeah.
So which one?
Do turn on Metis, the first one.
I can't see any other. Oh, all sources. There you
Yeah.
go.
So we turn on Metis and we keep the other ones.
So all of these and
Metis.
this first
That is
one.
their routing engine.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So now this should route through.
Oh yeah, 1.02. It should.
Yeah, this is like move word speed. This is routing through Radium
Orca.
Orca. Click. It should open up. Yeah.
So half Radium, half.
Yeah,
Orca.
we can arc between CBTC and route through WBTC as well. So there's like a lot of all these stable tokens now. They usually have they don't work on CLM CPMMs. They work on something called stable swaps, which is kind of in between of. There's a curve called stable sum AMM. Constant sum AMM, which is basically if you do constant product, it's x y equals to k. Constant sum is x plus y equals to k.
Okay.
But that is not efficient enough, so they built stable swap, which is kind of in between,
Okay.
which has some gamma factors and stuff. So let's not go technical.
The curve is same as like
Yeah, so it changes if the price is like variable. It moves the liquidity to something like CPM, or it moves vice versa. So it's like constant sum or constant product.
Oh, it means between them.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it
Where we
uses
get
a
the
gamma
price.
factor.
Okay.
You can see if you want to read about it. There's
I think
let's
it's
just,
good enough.
yeah.
Question is, so can we do an ARB over here?
Yeah, I think
I will take
should
some-
be possible.
I will take a USDC,
Yeah.
swap it for WBTC.
And
But
then
first
ZBTC.
find a platform
Yeah,
where we can serve
check.
BTC, right?
Go
Yeah.
to
But and how can I get WBTC from native BTC? Let's say.
let's do that on Radium. So we swap on Radium.
Okay.
Then we swap on. So I think the route should be Sol to WBTC on Radium.
Let's write that down.
Sol to WBTC.
To WBTC on Radium.
Then WBTC to CBTC or something.
Where?
On Saber.
Okay.
And this CBTC to Sol directly.
Directly where?
Yeah, this should be Radium or let's do on Solfi. Solfi will give us best price, I think. Solfi should have it.
Okay.
This is roughly the route.
You're saying
So
this
we
would
can
do
do
Let's do a dry run.
or we can add another step in between if we have transaction space
Okay.
to do CBTC to ZBTC and then swap. Basically,
ZBTC.
this is 3-step R. We do another 4-step R. and then we do this.
Okay.
This is another possibility. This
Where
can
do
go
we
on
do?
Saber or Radium, wherever we find cool. Saber/Radium.
All right. Let's dry run this once. So let's keep this open on one side. This is the arb that we'll try to execute, and let's open Jupyter. Let's open Radium. Let's open Saber. What's it called? Saber DAO. And then Solfi. I've never used Solfi. Is this the one?
Solfi doesn't have any UI and stuff.
Oh.
It's a shadow DEX.
Okay. So for right now, for
Yeah, let's remove that and put it on Radium. So.
Radium. All right. So everything's on Radium minus this one step, WBTC to CBTC.
Or we can do Orca has better liquidity of like Sol pairs. So we can swap, change last Radium to Orca.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. So we'll open Orca here. Got SO, I think.
Yeah, Orca.so.
So Orca for ZBTC to Sol. So let's select ZBTC.
So Sol.
Let's say one. One we get 521 or 5.
Yeah. And if we enter, we have to do everywhere at the same time.
Yeah. Yeah. It's true. Just trying to. It will take a little while. Sold to WBTC. I think अगर ये हमें पता लग जाए इतने में हो जाएगा. Sold to WBTC. So if we put
Radium.
522 Sol only on Radium, how much WBTC can we get? If it's more than one, then we're good to go. Or vice versa, I think.
That is not WBTC, I think.
That's not WBTC?
Yeah, that's fake WBTC.
Oh, my bad. This
Yeah,
one?
The other one.
This one?
Yeah.
All right.
This looks real.
What?
We'll figure out.
Yeah, I think this doesn't have a market. What does zero over here mean? Probably means it doesn't have liquidity, right? Enough
No,
markets.
your wallet doesn't have it.
Oh, yeah, sorry. No, what am I saying? WBTC.
Click the first one, maybe. What's the thing? Is it router not working?
This one. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, there's no liquidity.
556. Liquidity is super low. We cannot swap the full. But
10%.
size we are still getting after slippage is a lot. So 522 to 556 a lot.
No, it's
Big
ulta,
up.
right? We'll have to pay this much, 553.
Yeah, do 550.
We'll have to pay 553
to get
to get one BTC, and then eventually we can spit out 522. So we'll lose 30.
Yeah.
It's the other way around.
Yeah.
We have to-
Unfortunately.
we do.
Push over.
We have to do smaller amount, I think.
Let's do 55.
Yeah, 55 we are getting 0.093.
So it was 522, right? So if at 552 we're not getting more than 0.1, then we're screwed. And we're getting 0.87. We should get more than 0.01 here.
Yeah.
So
I think we enter via this and exit via that. No, that is also bad.
no, that also bad.
Yeah.
Both
We
is
need-
liquidity in there.
We need more smaller amount. Do like 10
Oh, no.
Sol maybe.
To 5.2 Sol. It's still 0.008. It should be more than 0.001. No, 0.01, my bad. So not this. But did everyone understand what we were discussing here? Did everyone understand what we were discussing? I think what we started off with, this is the first project that we're discussing. What we started off with was we'll try to create an arb between a centralized exchange like Binance. For example, the current price on Binance for Solana is 214.29, and then try to see if someplace else we can get a better price or a worse price. For example, right now, that's quite an arb. 214.42 and 214.29.
So DEX6 is we can get good liquidity in DEX6.
But still like that, yeah.
Yeah, not bad. If you do, but the problem is
Now it came now.
we cannot land both the legs.
We can't land both the
Legs. So the leg problem is basically one leg is DEX, one leg is SEX.
correct.
Both the legs should land.
Yeah, if one of them lands,
And-
we're screwed.
Yeah, one lands, then we're stuck with half.
Correct.
So
Meanwhile, if it's all on the DEX, right? So we can land everything in a single transaction.
yeah. But
Yeah, I
on
get it.
DEX sites we cannot do.
This is like a distributed
Yeah.
transaction that we have to do.
Yeah, it's not atomic.
So what if we said the DEX one sex to ho hi jayegi? Very low probability a sex transaction doesn't go through.
No, but the price, if the price move by a
then
tick,
we're
then
screwed.
market maker won't.
But like there's enough. Only
But
there's
I
enough
think
spread.
we can place. We can assume like a
Yeah.
0.1 thing.
Exactly, and then even if
Just
it moves.
place a limit order on sex.
Uh,
So what price we are buying and DEX, we put 0.1 ज़्यादा या कम depending on what we want to do and place a 0.1 percentage, right? Not
yeah, percentage.
And
But
then we put a sex order.
but then
limit order.
what if the market never moves in the limit order direction?
That's the problem.
So to be honest, the like 0.1% is literally
Thoda louder.
0.1% is literally low. Like
Very low.
half of that will pay in the fees.
No, 0.1% is the 0.1% or 0.01%. What is Binance fees? I think it's 0.01%. Fees. It is 0.1%. Backpack fees. Backpack is lesser. There we go. Taker fee is 0.1 only. Could have sworn it was lesser. There's some backpack, some Mad Lad VIP program. Program. If you have a lad, I think it's lesser. Yeah, VIP tier. I think we'll reach here. 0.02%.
That's a lot. We can do good.
That's great.
Yeah, but that is spot. We need to. Oh yeah, we need spots. Okay, I take that.
How is it VIP to like determine?
If you have one Mad Lad, you have a
Yeah,
VIP program.
basically whatever amount of.
Like how can you get to like VIP 5?
What is the Mad Lad program? Mad Lad holders who connect their backpack wallet to an NFT exchange will automatically qualify for VIP tier 1 trading fee. The Mad Lad program is in place for both spot and perpetual futures. How do you reach VIP 2, VIP 3 is the question. A maker. Okay, at least we have one Mad Lad. So we at least reach here. We'll most probably be the taker.
Yeah.
But let's hope we're the maker. And in that case, it's pretty good. 0.02% is great.
Yeah. Worst case also we're kind of sorted.
Yeah.
We just need to land fast enough.
Yeah. This is spot, this is futures. Futures is even lesser.
No, but the problem is futures.
Prices.
You don't buy technically, right? You're
Which is
just
fine.
longing the thing.
It's fine.
But you have to close the position.
Which is-
Close also has 5 fees.
Oh.
The math won't work out, right? The amount.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you do futures, then you do futures on there as well. So you're short and you're long.
Makes sense. Okay, then let's do this. 0.02%. If the R is more than 0.1%, so what would that be? What's 0.1% of this? 1% is $2. 0.1 is 0.2.
0.2 cent per transaction.
$0.2, so 20 cents.
20 cents.
I don't ever see 20 cents card this year. Actually, I do. 52.76. Yeah,
That's almost 2 cents.
But-
That's like,
no. See, it's increased again. 71.84. I think by the time this climbs, it's also slowly climbs. We're just not seeing
it
it.
basically follows the centralized exchange.
Of course, yeah. But there's someone who's increasing the price here, right? Why can't we be that someone?
Arbors are just fixing the price.
What's 0.1% of this? Oh, sorry, what's 0.5% of this? 0.05. That's like 10 cents.
Yeah, 10 cents.
I think even
Plus, even if you make 1 cent a trade profit, that's good enough.
Yeah, but
Because you're landing like millions of
gas fee.
Yeah,
also.
chances are very
low
low.
for that one cent. No, it's very
Yeah.
low.
But there's gas. I mean, we can make 1 cent, but like gas fees.
Yeah, you have to consider gas.
How
fees.
much is?
Gas fees is 0.00005, but you need Friday fees as well.
It
How much
also
would it be?
depends on the routing now.
Oh,
Also, the more complicated the
yeah, the
transaction.
more,
No, but we're not doing any routing. We're doing on radium
Yeah,
directly.
we just do one year. We do simple.
Yeah. How much gas fee does this take? This one transaction. Let's see.
Do simulate now. Simulate will tell us.
The rate,
Simulate.
the difference between
It should be around.
should be sufficient to cover for the gas fees and cover for everything, right? And those opportunities keep, but
Yeah, we have to swap and see.
Yeah. I'm doing that only. I'm just trying to find
like it's happening here, it's not
a wallet where I can do this.
it will happen.
All right. For the stream, I think most probably we're doing number 1 only. Let's do a poll now. You understand number 1? Let me quickly take you through all others. Point number 2 is poll.fun. It is actually already a startup. It's basically bet with your friends on anything. For example, 5 of us can create a group where we bet on something like is Sargam going to go to gym tomorrow or not? And if the answer is no, then whoever selected no takes all the money, and vice versa. Amongst friends, you can bet on will India win today. So it's like a private poly market. It's a private poly market. It's a pretty bad thing because you won't have enough liquidity. Basically, what I can do is I can actually go to poly market and place one order there, and then यहाँ पे most probably amongst my friends, the odds will be so different that I'll make risk-free money. So I don't see a point of this too much. Because अगर हम पांचों, unless it's a very personal bet, if it's a very global bet that we're taking, for example, will Trump win 2029 elections or not? If that's the bet we're taking, then there's already a market out there जहाँ पे price है उसका, on poly market or on Probo or wherever. So you can take a bet there, and यहाँ पे most probably you're getting a worse or a better price. So if you're getting a better price, you'll just always make profits because this is a very small private market in which you're betting on something. So ideally you'd bet on कि कल सरगम gym जाएगा कि नहीं, things like these. Because there's no global market for it on poly market. That's 2. Number 3 is a CLOB or a center limit order book. It's but for a decentralized wallet. So CLOBs are usually used in centralized exchanges like these. For example, this is a center limit order book. But a lot of times people want the speed execution of a centralized exchange, yet not want to KYC. For example, there are many such applications that are now coming, which take funds from decentralized wallets. So I can send funds from my Phantom or my backpack and then trade like I would on any other centralized exchange, then withdraw the money if I have some profits. It's just, KYC less, mildly on chain for payments, but mildly off chain for trading application. So if you want to trade a lot, yet be away from the government or not KYC, or just be decentralized, I'm an I don't want to show myself anywhere, is when you would create a center limit order book. gib.works is a famous project. It lets you dispense bounties on GitHub and assign bounties and create bounties and pay them via crypto. CDFs or CFDs are contract for differences. Basically, again, a trading application where you long or short an asset. If you long an asset and the price of the asset goes up, you make the difference. If you short the asset, the price goes down, you make the difference. That's why it's called a contract for difference. You don't actually ever own the underlying asset. So if I long Solana, I'm not really buying Solana. I'm sort of betting on Solana to go up. So it's slightly different from point number 3 over here, where you're actually owning the underlying asset. And then lastly, rent compute for token. Basically, a lot of people in the country, especially in a country like India, you might have seen, I've seen this, a driver of mine, open some application on his phone to get some tokens in return. He opens the application and that application uses the compute from their machine. A lot of times they use the bandwidth of your phone. A lot of times they use the storage of your phone. And in return of that, they give you some Solana in this case. So you'll get rewarded a little bit based on, how much money how much of your machine you're renting out to a service. So good use cases are a decentralized CDN. CDNs are really expensive, but if millions of people in the country open their phones as CDNs, then they'll become really cheap for companies like Hotstar, and the people who have rented their phone and their internet will also make some money. So that's point number 6. You have 6 points here. Let's see which one wins, and most probably we'll just go with the one that wins. So I only get 4 options. So I'm going to say option 1, that's the 𝗟𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗹𝘀. And then option 2 is going to be pole.fun. Option 3 is going to be either a CLOB or CFD. Because they're very similar, so I'm just clubbing them together, I only get 4 options. And the 4th one is either gib.works or point number 6. So I'll just merge these as well. gib.works or rent compute. I know, but it's fine. Don't bring your math out here. I understand it's flawed. I get it. It's okay. All right. Whatever you guys select is what we will code. Until then, we'll play some music. You guys have 2 minutes and then we'll start. चिकन वाला है, guys ले लूँगा मैं यार. भाई खाओ, मैं वो ले लूँगा. यश भाई देना ज़रा. 𝗟𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗶 is winning by a mile, as expected. It's an interesting conversation. Also, you can make money, so that's interesting. I'll take that one. Oopsie daisy. Thank you. Good. I think we have almost a clear answer here in 𝗟𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗶. It's also a very interesting problem because there's no clear answer if we make money or not. If we do, it's pretty good. सरगम भाई पिज्जा खा रहे हो? पिज्जा खा रहे हो? अभी जिम जाओगे इसके बाद?
भाई वो भेजे हैं ना मेरे ये मैसेज
All right, we're coding an app bot. We'll see. Keep it on. Keep it on. We start in 7 minutes. We'll quickly wrap up dinner, and then we'll start coding an art bot. There is no clear strategy in our head. We just know we can get very minimal fees on Backpack. So that's the centralized exchange that we'll use. And we could see a little less liquidity on Radium. And this was Solana, which is pretty liquid. So we have not yet hit, other assets which are much less liquid, much less activity, or ones where bots aren't actively trading or actively balancing. So we might be able to do more. But specifically for Solana, we saw ARB from time to time. It's still a very complicated problem statement, and there's a very high probability we will lose money only. But you never know. We might be able to pull out $1 or something. I think, again, bigger challenges would be trying to be as close to Binance as possible, trying to be as close to the validator as possible. So can we somehow be,
Yeah. We have some stuff, secret stuff that can't show, but we'll use it.
Dhruv has some secret stuff for landing transactions really quickly on Solana. So we know we'll be very close to as quickly you can land a transaction on Solana. So the the DEX part is sorted. Now we have to worry about the centralized exchange part and how do we figure out how can we be as close to a Backpack server as possible. These are the two big challenges. Writing the code isn't too difficult. Probably spend an hour writing the code, and then the rest of the stream just trying to get as close to the servers as possible, and they're just waiting for an ARB to happen and get executed. All right. So we're going to start in 10 minutes. You guys should eat dinner as well if you haven't already. And if you are interested, you should also apply to Colosseum. We'll submit this into Colosseum this year and we see if we win or not. Actually, this is not a... Oh, lag. Is the lag better? Is the lag better? Should be better now. Hold on. Close this. There we go. That's the link to the Colosseum hackathon this year. कोई था इंडिया से जीता था last year.
Last year, Met Engine won.
Oh yeah, the other thing we were trying to build.
Yeah.
So Met Engine was from India, and they're
Met Engine win. Cleopatra got.
They're both the same projects only, right?
Yeah, similar projects. 𝗟𝗏𝗳𝗲𝗃 got mentioned as well. They are like similar to Zcash and stuff.
Okay, they're all Indian companies.
Yeah, Indian companies.
All right. Met Engine is a Telegram bot that lets you LP or
LP. They have now everything. So they have like a web terminal, a mobile app, a bot as well. So they have everything. They're more focused on the web terminal because it's just easier to work on. But yeah, they started as this. Yeah.
Do you want to close that?
All right, we will start coding in 4 minutes now. We're coding an ARB bot, and oh, the Wi-Fi seems not great. Can you guys see us? Lag. Hold on, guys. We will try to fix it. Give us a second. We're trying to fix it. It is streaming. Think it should be back. I don't know actually. Yep. All right. Accelerator isn't opening though. Can you guys see us? Hello, hello, hello. Hopefully you can. I need to eat food. Maybe Accelerator is down. That Twitter seems to be working. There we go. All right. So after a lot of discussions, we are coding an ARP bot. We start at 10 p.m. That's in 2 minutes. Actually, we start at 10:15. That's in 7 minutes. We're going to quickly wrap up dinner. Would urge you to do the same. And then we're going to start coding an ARP bot at 10:15. See you guys in a few minutes. Music chila do bhai. Music.
नीचे मार्केट का फ्रेश है ये प्राइस मिला गया लिरिक्स वाला गाना चलाना है क्या कॉपीराइट है बस नहीं यार नीचे से प्ले कर नो कॉपीराइट म्यूजिक वाला साउंड कार्ड में चल जाते हैं एलेक्सा नीचे एक और कोड पिज्जा रखा हुआ है Those were very light. हाँ वो उसका नाम है जब माइक पे चिकन so good वाला We simulate पहले इस पे simulation work कर रहा है, then we land. Probably optimization होगा बहुत. First time lab कर गया, तो फिर तो मैं कल बैठ के यही कर. अभी हम कैलकुलेशन कर रहे हैं, अभी पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं होगी, बट थोड़ा टाइम आता होगा. हाँ, पॉसिबिलिटी होंगी. हाँ. बस. जी, परसेंट क्या? मतलब आपका पता है क्यों? कॉपी करने में थोड़ी इजी होता है. मैं लैपटॉप से कोड कॉपी करने में ठीक है फिगर आउट. पर को कंप्यूटर से कर आउट किया. लेकिन तो इतना बायस पड़ा है जो कंपनी फ्रीलांस के एक बार भी गिव उठाई उनके सारे कोड दे दे. नहीं बहुत है. क्या है? फिर वो ऐसा नहीं है. और लाइक मैंने कोई आइडिया नहीं. बोलो सर. Architecture. मतलब basically boxes that tell ये system का ये backpack system है. ये radium ये Solana वाला data है. यहाँ रखा है. अपन टच में कोड कर रहे हैं. कुछ भी करना नहीं. लैंड नहीं होगा उसके अलावा.
You want yourself on camera?
हाँ कर दो.
All right. That's the screen, bhai. That's the keyboard. That's all. ये लाइट खोलना है क्या? Yes. बताइए.
ये कहाँ ऊपर है?
उधर से जाएगा, right side.
अरे इसको फिक्स करते हैं.
Alright, guys, can you see us? Oh no, lag.
No flag.
अभी भी हो रहा है क्या lag? Wait for all the messages to go. No slow mo. Today, are we good? No lag, right? Alright, we're writing the architecture diagram. थोड़े डब्बे बना रहे हैं. So that's easy for you to बाद में understand what's happening. Take it over, Dhruv.
Yeah. So there's two parts to the whole thing. First will be like the DEX side of the thing, but we want the DEX to land. For sure, the centralized servers will land, but DEX has a pretty low probability that they'll land, right? So we'll start with fixing or how the DEX part will work. So I think we'll just make some stuff. So there's two parts to the whole thing. We have text. Nice. Oh, too big of a text. We need small text. No, medium it's. No. Maybe. Fuck. Bad. Not my system. Oh, this is backpack server. Okay, fuck. This is too zoomed in. जूम इन कर लेते हैं. वी किल दिस पहले तो सिलेक्ट नहीं हो रहा. जूम इन ठीक है. दिस शुड बी फाइन मोस्टली. तो वी हैव पहले तो टेक्स्ट. वी हैव बैकपैक backpack server. Right, this is in Japan probably. Backpack server is in Japan. Now we'll have. How do I? No, this works right. Oh, this is on click. This will be basically the bot. And this okay. It's like a sort of. This will be the bot basically. This will be the bot, and we'll have a RPC server here somewhere in Japan. So this will be our RPC. And this will be our RPC server. We'll have like a direct line from RPC to the bot with this should be text, right? This needs to be basically gRPC stream. gRPC stream. Okay, so we have a gRPC stream coming. This will bring all the account changes and stuff. Right, this is pretty sorted. All good. Now what?
Bot will also be in Japan.
Bot will also be in. Everything is in Japan. Now how the whole thing will work is we'll have account updates. Each account update will trigger a Tokyo task. So we'll code this in Rust. If someone doesn't know Rust that much, that will be a bit of problem for you, but we should be mostly fine. So what will happen is internally in the bot, right? This is like the internal part. So internally in the bot, this is this is bot internals. So we'll have account updates, these updates coming in. We'll spin up a task for each of them. So the first step will be like a Tokyo task that will spin up like a small. So we'll just offload like the change to. So we'll have Tokyo task come in, right? So we'll spin up basically a thread will go off the main thread. These will be Tokyo threads, and like basically once they move off, these threads will check if there's an arb opportunity. So this here we'll have the main logic of the arb, basically main logic for the arb. Right, so main logic will basically be checking amount out from radium and backpack.
Will this be the same thread or different?
Same. So Tokyo, basically what's happening is every time an update comes from this stream, right? The price has changed in the pool, the DEX pool. So we spin up a new task for the change. So if price change, we spin up a task, we see, okay, is something possible? Basically like that. Right, so we check the main, here the main logic will go. We'll check the amount out from the radium pools. We're assuming that, so here one thing that we are considering is that there's nothing called price. We are considering the number of tokens we get out from radium as the metric, right? As the main metric that, okay, we are profitable or not profitable. We'll check for some math like amount out plus fees needs to be greater than basically backpack amount, or vice versa. Backpack amount. This will be like roughly the check. One thing we probably should not spin up a Tokyo task. I think we'll do is this will be like a whole thread. I think
Okay.
we'll change this to thread.
Why thread versus task?
So task is super lightweighted, but the problem that I just thought was that okay, gRPC stream is coming every 400 millisecond. We cannot detect ARB, so better to do a loop here. Loop that does this will be like a Rust loop, and this loop will just run automatically. It checks that okay, we have basically either like either a hash map slash some kind of map, it be tree map or some map here that will contain like the token amount out info, all the stuff will be stored in this
From the centralized exchange or decentralized?
from the DEX. This is like the DEX.
This is the DEX.
Yeah, we'll have something similar for the sex as well in the same thread. We do main logic, check the amount, fee plus amount out. We should probably consider fee here as well. There will be fees here, right? We check the amount, and if the ARB is possible, then we spin up a Tokyo task for sending. We don't want our main thread to stop. So we'll spin up a small Tokyo task.
That will just create the transaction. Just
Yeah.
throw it.
Oh,
For both, to both of them.
yeah. Basically, it does. It sends a two-way transaction. Not two-way, but this will do a Tokyo transaction, Tokyo task, and we do a sim. So first step will be simulate. We usually should not do simulate, but in our case, we have a leg problem, right? So there's a high chance that radium might not land with the custom slippage we provide. So we will put slippage as like 0.001. So super tight slippage. First, we'll do a simulate. If the simulate is successful, we blast transactions both the ways. So RPC plus backpack transaction. If ARB happens, or we'll see what happens here. We'll just have like third step as logging, to be honest. We'll see what happens.
Blockchain task, how quickly can we know if it's gone through or not?
It will take time. So we'll, even with gRPC subscription, we can have a separate thread that does it, like the checks. So we might do like another thread. This will be another green thread. And what it does is just confirm. So we have a sending channel.
Yeah.
This way, this will be like a async channel. Either, what do we need? We need broadcast and we need
MPS.
Yeah, MPS will work. Or broadcast. We'll have some channel here. And yeah, the channel will just do like check transactions for both. We'll do both, right? We check both.
Backpack, I want to know very high probability it goes through.
Yeah, but how do
is
we
the price
see that ARB happened or not will be the thing.
Okay.
Yeah, so this will do both the checks, right? If we see like a centralized DEX transaction didn't land, we'll sell back the amount for the pairing backpack transaction, because backpack will give us some kind of ID, right? I'm assuming.
Yeah.
So that transaction we'll check here. We just do select. We'll just check both transaction. If let's say DEX fails, then we revert the transaction on backpack.
When you say revert, if it's a limit order, it didn't
Yeah,
go through, we just cancel
we
it.
would cancel it, and if it did go through, then we'll just
Sell it.
yeah, we'll have to sell it, because we'll have limited liquidity on both the sides, so can't do much.
Makes sense.
And yeah, this is basically roughly the thing. I think I'm not missing anything. So we have a main thread. This is not a task. This will be like a proper thread with a loop that checks for ARB. We'll have these accounts. These will be like ARC-based accounts stored up top somewhere that are getting passed. Yeah, this amount out plus backpack fee will be the check, roughly.
Goes through, then you spin up new task.
Yeah, we spin up a new task that does the sending part of it, because this sending is another connection.
Yeah.
This is like a gRPC connection.
If we don't do stimulate, like do we save on time here or?
Yeah, we save on time, because simulate takes like a second-ish. So better not to. We can skip simulate as well. We can just
Let's skip it.
yeah, let's just blast.
the transaction.
just do blast, I think. Blast and check. We check there.
Check separately.
Yeah.
Let's just assume it will work. Like,
Yeah.
let's just be optimistic.
Yeah.
And then later we'll, of course.
Yeah, we figure out here.
I think we just get rid of this thread for now. Let's just assume we're just very lucky on both the bases. And the transaction just lands. If it does it, then we'll see.
Yeah, we'll figure out what to do then.
All right. So the bot is running. So this is a backpack server.
Yeah,
in
Japan. We have RPC server and bot in the Japan's region as well. This will be in Japan.
We already have an RPC server in Japan.
We'll have it. I have some jugaad.
Okay. So we'll have an RPC server in Japan. We'll have our own backend in Japan. This backend will simply spawn a single thread, or you can just use the main thread then. The main thread is going to constantly loop. Okay, but wait. So this is receiving the price updates from backpack
As well, yeah. There's
through WebSockets. All right, we will take a pause here. Stream is lagging. Stream is lagging. Stream is lagging.
okay, yeah.
All right. Small pause. Small pause. Small pause. The internet can be a little choppy at 100x school. Stream bitrate is fine. It's just the internet. Let's bring this here. All right. Dropped frame is capped. We're sending it at 8,000 kbps, which should be more than enough. So I think we should be fine now. Hopefully, you guys tell me. Hello. Lag hai. Is there a lag? Is there a lag? Is the lag still there, folks? Is there a lag? Is there a lag? I think we're better now. Is the lag still there, folks? All right. Yeah, the latency is so high, though. Cool. There's a lot of latency, though. But that's fine. All right. Hopefully the lag is better. We'll keep the chat open on the side. Yeah. So in case the lag ever comes back, you guys can tell us. Yeah, Tux is monitoring it. No lag. Yeah, we're good. All right. So we wrote a bunch of things and let's go through the architecture one more time. Backpack servers live in Japan. And they'll constantly stream us data through WebSockets, which we'll probably have on a separate thread. So all incoming data from Backpack is getting received
here, right?
On this thread.
Yeah, this is because this loop is in the thread, but not in the. Okay, let's just go here, and we have these trees outside. Right?
Yeah, in the second thread.
In the main thread. So this becomes like the first thread, first and only thread.
Okay. So yeah, I mean,
same thing, kind of.
What we can do is we can have the WebSocket listener on one thread and the arc logic on a different thread.
Yeah, that makes sense. gRPC needs to be on a separate thread as well.
gRPC
so we have 3 threads now.
So we have 3 threads. That sounds perfect. 3 threads. One which is constantly writing to the global, let's say, DEX object.
Thread 1. Basically, this is like gRPC stream handling.
Perfect. Can you increase the size of it? So Command A and then okay, that works. Thread number 1 will do this. Thread number 2, listening to Backpack.
Thread 2 will be
WebSocket listener from Backpack.
Yeah, Backpack. Backpack socket connection.
Yeah.
And third thread will be thread 3 will be the main one, right?
Main logic,
main thread.
And
we might need a task for
sending out.
I don't want like threads getting blocked, right?
Perfect. So a task for sending the transaction. Yeah, that looks beautiful. This will probably store data in a...
Yeah, so the main thread will have all the arcs.
Yeah.
So we'll have all the storage on the main thread, right? This will be in memory storage, hash maps, dash map, something we'll figure out.
Correct.
Both will get the data as like we have to make channels, to be honest, to send data in between.
Depends. Do you want to do channels or should we do arc with an RW lock? Because only one of them is writing and this guy is just reading.
Yeah. So we can do RW locks.
Perfect. So I think two global two objects. One is a DEX price, hello, yeah, DEX.
Yeah, we have a DEX, a DEX map, I think. Let's just call it DEX
This is a
map.
map, like, so it's like, let's say it's just one asset.
Okay, one asset, then dash.
It's, quantity one, quantity
struct.
two. Yeah, struct. Which has
Struct, we have a
quantity one, quantity two. That's it.
yeah. Quantity one, quantity one,
And quantity two.
quantity two. Eight.
So that's one.
Yeah.
And then another would be a sex struct,
Yeah.
which will have best bid and best ask.
Yeah. Sex struct will have best bid and best ask.
So quantity 1 and quantity 2 are tokens out, right?
Yeah,
Amount out.
amount out basically.
Amount.
Yeah. For given quantity, we get the given amount.
Tokens out, right? We have
Tokens out.
Oh, I was thinking it's an AMM, which is quantity one, quantity two.
No.
Okay, it's token out.
Yeah, token out. Consider it token out.
So
So for a given token one, what amount of token two we get?
okay, and what is the given token one? Like one.
We set a default value.
Let's say
like
$100.
$100.
Okay.
And
So for $100, how much soul can I get?
yeah.
For 100 soul, how much dollars? Can I
And we keep the amount fixed, so we between both.
So
get? Okay, so whenever we place an order, we place it for $100.
Yeah.
what pool are we listing on exactly?
Radium.
Rating.
Let's write that down as well. We are looking at Radium ka Sol USDC.
So USDC is
It's a bad market. I agree. Just look at liquidity. You see, I think that's the one. So this is the pool that we'll be constantly listening to for the DEX. This is the pool that we'll be constantly listening to on the DEX, and on the SEX we're just using API dot or whatever WS dot stream dot backpack dot exchange. Anyone have any questions in the final code? I'll repeat the architecture one more time. The architecture is we'll have a single Rust process that is running, and it runs 3 threads. So let me actually just get rid. This is just thread number 3 ka simulation. So thread 3 looks something like this, and we have not visualized thread 1 and 2.
Yeah.
This is thread number 3. Thread 1's job is simple. It just needs to constantly listen to a gRPC stream and update the DEX struct
Yeah.
object or the DEX struct. Thread 2's job is to constantly listen from backpack and update the centralized exchange struct. Thread 3's job is to constantly loop, read the DEX struct, read the sex struct, figure out if there is an arb, and if there is an arb, execute the arb on a separate thread, not a thread, a task, and do its own thing, continue doing its own thing. We are not checking has the transaction gone through. We are not checking did we actually make an arb finally, because there is some probability the backpack transaction doesn't go through. There is a much higher probability that on-chain transaction didn't go through with the right slippage. But if that happens, we're just screwed and we're fine with it because it's just $100. We will lose money. It's fine. So that's the final architecture. Does anyone have any questions on this architecture? Or can we start to code it? Kill me. What does 90 rupees mean? We are not exactly making a market maker. We're not really making the markets here. If anything, we're taking from the markets. So we're building a market taker, or more technically, whatever, an ARB creator. Let's look at the live. Is there still a lag? Is good? I don't know why people thought there's a lag. I think we are good. Do we understand everything, folks? Can we start to code it?
Talk about how you're planning communication between threads.
Yes. So there are various ways for threads to communicate with each other. Each come with their own pros and cons. Primarily, there are 2. One is message channels, and the other is shared memory.
No,
thank
we
you,
do
John.
RW. Yeah, retry
Not
times.
mutex, arbitrage.
Retry
थोड़ा better
Retry.
होता है. So, and Rust may never, rarely will there be a race condition. Like, that's the
Yeah.
good part about Rust. It won't compile easily. So there are two ways to do to share memory across threads in most languages, even in C++ and Go and in Rust. The one that we're preferring right now is shared memory, which basically means there's nothing changes. You receive data from the gRPC stream, you update an object in that thread, or in the main thread. The first thing is you can't really share data like this across threads. You have to wrap it in an arc. An arc does something very complicated in memory, but basically it creates a new variable that under the hood points to the actual variable, because actual variable को आप 3 threads में नहीं भेज सकते, but you can keep cloning the arc. So every thread will get a new variable that under the hood points to the main thing. So we have to wrap it inside an arc. But at the same time, we're not just reading. We're also writing to that variable. Specifically, thread number 1 is going to write to this variable. Thread number 2 is going to write to this variable. So when you're writing to a variable as well, and that variable is being shared across multiple threads, is when you need to lock it. Because if two things try to write, or one thing tries to write, other thing tries to read, things go bad. Which is a very common problem. Hopefully, some of you know this already. For this, Rust has this concept of, or other languages also have the concept of mutexes, which let you lock a specific, a variable before it's being written to, which mostly solves our problem. But then there's another thing called an RW lock. There's a mutex, and then there's an RW lock. An RW lock just basically allows multiple reads at the same time. But if there is a write, then it locks the thing. In our case, it wouldn't matter because there's a single thread that's reading. There's a single thread that's writing. So it doesn't matter if we use this or this. We're still preferring an RW lock. In case in the future we read from multiple threads. Right now, since we're reading from thread number 3, writing from thread number 2, reading from thread number 3, writing from thread number 1, it doesn't matter if we use a mutex or an RW lock. So we can use a mutex as well. It won't change things. In fact, I we'll see. But my assumption is if you use a mutex, it might just be faster in this specific case. So do we understand the architecture and how we're sharing memory? Now comes the difficult bit of actually, listening to the gRPC stream, listening to the backpack stream, and updating these objects. Do we now understand this, folks? Can we move on? Won't that be a hit on efficiency if you're using an arc? Yes, but what else can you do? It will be. It'll be a little slower. RB used Golang. We are not using Golang. It might just make sense to use Golang, honestly. It just be easier to write compared to Rust. I've written WebSocket clients in the past. They're very hard. Have you written Yellowstone in the past?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Then we'll be fine. But we probably are going to use Rust today and not Golang. Are you good to go, folks? Can we start coding this? Then if you want to code this on your side, you should as well. I think it'll go on for another 2 hours. I think we should be able to run the bot in 2 hours, and then we'll see. All right, people got it. Let's build it. So we'll kick things off with a fresh Rust project. I think I can write the backpack listening logic fairly quickly.
I'll do the gRPC thing.
Perfect. And then you can write the main thread, Chaitanya. And then we're good to go. We'll just leave you to it after we're done with our jobs. So let's call it an arb bot. Sol cargo init cargo add.
So we need Tokyo full tracing.
How do you add full here?
Hyphen feature. It's feature and dash do full space full.
All right. What else? Need a WebSocket client.
WebSocket client.
I've done this in the past.
Tungsten.
Exactly, that's the one. It's really hard to write though.
I have a easy.
Perfect. We'll probably leave it to you then. Yeah, tungsten.
I already. I have like shit in a protocol stuff to leave.
All right.
Yeah, tungsten. Okay, yeah, it's features. Alright.
Good. There we go.
We need anyhow.
Cargo add anyhow.
What else we need? We need tracing subscriber.
Do we?
We need logs. Something to see. Yeah.
I mean, we'll just add to the latency. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't do it. Or if you do need logs, we'll just print them. What else?
We need Yellowstone.
Oh yeah, that I think it's what Yellowstone dash client or Yellowstone.
Yellowstone gRPC proto, and there's Yellowstone gRPC client. There's two. We'll have to enable features and stuff like that. I'll do.
Okay.
This proto, there needs to be one client as well.
Yeah.
We need radium CPI stuff.
Is it this Yellowstone underscore gRPC underscore client?
Probably we'll have to cut down on version 9 doesn't work.
Oh,
But I'll do that.
perfect. And you said Radium has some
Yeah,
SDK.
Radium should have a CPI thing.
Radium SDK.
Do Solana SDK. Solana hyphen SDK. You should not use this, but we are using it.
Why should you not use this?
This is like a big wrapper. So this compiles like shit ton of crates that you don't need.
Okay, got
So
it.
if you want to optimize, don't use this. Use splitted crates, but we are lazy right now. But so.
Makes sense. And then we need the Radium
Radium,
SDK.
Rust. I don't think they have a Rust SDK.
Radium SDK v2. Is this it? Looks fine to me. You think that'll do it?
It's too much.
What is that?
Just like, let's skip that. I have like a custom implementation. I'll just copy code from there.
Works. So anything left? We added Tokyo. We added Yellowstone. We added Tungsten. I think we are good to go.
Yeah, we're good to go.
So good. It's all good. You'll be coding soon enough. What do you want to code?
I don't want to code.
You don't want to code. Okay.
I don't want to
code. You code.
I'll write a contract.
Go do the Radium plus CPI stuff.
No.
Hopefully there's no lag.
This lag?
What is the rollback or retry logic? So there's nothing right now. We'll probably add that.
Retry in the task. We cannot retry logic. The rollback will be hardest.
I think it's lagging. We're paused here. You should have gone to my place. All right. Stream is paused. We're not proceeding about Tungsten until then.
This also has a RW.
This has a
Read proc, resign, read like read syntax is simpler.
oh yeah, read or not correct.
Why do you think mutex would be faster there?
Because I'll big assumption. Okay, I think RW logs super optimized if you're doing multiple reads.
Yeah.
And
You just
one
read.
write.
We are doing one read.
Yeah.
Huh. So maybe there's some complex logic in there that allows multiple reads. And if you are doing multiple reads, it's faster for sure. But if it's just one read, the mutex doesn't have that complicated logic. That is why I think mutex is fast.
What I usually do is I use basically I have shared objects that does only read, and the write happens through like channels basically. So it's a mix of channel and shared objects. That's usually what I do.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
I use channels to write.
Chance to write, okay.
Yeah, and I use like basically the main read directly from it. So there's no read-write lock usually.
Got it. Makes sense.
Yeah, that way I avoid like any kind of like obfuscation and stuff.
Makes sense.
Depends. That's like taste all of them.
Yeah. I also like, I'm sure latency one is better than the other,
Yeah.
which we're just making an assumption on. Yeah. You are not wrong. Let's do that. All right. Is there still a lag? Is there still a lag, folks? We will wait. We will wait. Buffering a lot. It's okay. Okay. Seems like it's better. Cool. Let us know if it. All right. I think we're good to go. Cool. What we were saying was we didn't do much. We can show you what. Yeah, it is the CPU for sure. It's not the Wi-Fi. All right. What else can we? Cursor is taking some, which is fine. I don't know what that is. I can close item. Okay, hold on. CPU. OBS is taking 144. Everything else is not too bad actually.
Yeah. OBS in the main one.
Yeah. If you maybe we are sending too much video. Maybe we should someone. Google. GPU, I don't know. Probably not. Still lagging, folks. It's fine. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. It's not the Wi-Fi 99.9%. It's just my machine. The simplest solution is we change the machine. You have the laptop.
Yeah.
You have OBS in it. You do?
Yeah.
Leo. I think we'll just change the laptop and we'll be good to go in a second here. OBS, yeah. Tell me. So open here.
Go to the output tab, settings output.
Output. So this, I have this keep frame interval, which I probably shouldn't.
Encoder. What encoder that you using?
Where is it in code? I don't see it.
This one sec. Scroll down.
Anything interesting?
It should set it to
Set it to?
the format is not there. Yeah, that 264 option, X264 option.
Where?
The last one. Below. Right here. Below.
This.
More below.
This.
One more.
This. What should I do?
It's not right. I think like the OBS is using more CPU to stream it. That's why it's lagging a lot. We should use GPU instead. No idea about macro.
Okie dokie. Good thing is we have another laptop. So it looks like a smaller laptop, sir. I don't know. Just do it. Okay, it's M2 Pro. Okay, that'll work. I'm running one. OBS. I'll send you my stream credentials.
How do you stream? Settings.
So 1 second, folks. We're figuring this out. Give us a second here.
YouTube RDM, please.
Yeah, I'll send you the stream credentials in a second.
Stream key.
Stream key. I'll send you the stream key on WhatsApp in 1 second. There we go. Yeah, bhai. Right.
Don't send me वो screen share हो रही है ना.
No. So okay, people can read our history. Our chat history isn't that bad.
Yeah. Yes, right.
All right. Changing laptops. Let me know when you start streaming. I'll stop streaming. Changing laptops. 1 second. Yeah. Oh, that's good. Okay. Start streaming.
Stop streaming.
Yeah, start.
Thank you. Yeah, we are looking good.
That looks good. Let's go to YouTube and see what's up. You can keep your laptop here.
Discord also. Okay. Risk. After shady face. Yeah.
Go. Are you streaming? Your camera's not on. Oh, you're not. You don't have the camera yet. Okay. All right. So, can you open OBS one more time? No, that's fine. There we go. So what we're going to do is add a new audio capture device. This time a Shure mic. It's good. We will also turn off this. All right, that's one. The second thing is we're going to add a new camera. So video capture device, which is this one right here. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. You should clean it. There's still some white stains in there. I don't know what that is.
Like my screen is.
Yeah, it was a few days ago. All right, can you guys see the screen now? Let me look at that.
Which screen is getting
Working fine.
All right, the new laptop has been helpful, working fine. We will now repeat. Are you saying this screen or that screen?
I think this will
This
just
one,
be
this one, this
inside
one.
display. Arrange. This is leaving this side.
Good.
Yeah. Should we remove this? Or
Oh yeah, you this way.
leave it? This won't.
Hopefully not. We'll know.
If I don't catch tomorrow's flight, then please, my wallet.
It's like very
address is
uncomfortable,
11.
right?
My ledger key is 000, guys.
Thank you.
Just in case.
You're not going anywhere tomorrow now. All right, you don't use your own keyboard. All right, perfect.
Okay, everything looks good. Move some code around.
Let's start off with doing what we were doing pehle.
Setup. See projects.
But hold on, let's do it here if possible, and then let's change the display to be this one.
Okay.
What did you say?
Hardware encoder. In the output tab, right there, you are using the 𝗟𝗶𝗶𝗶𝗀, which was software encoder.
Oh, I think
This hardware encoder, right?
Perfect.
You use the GPU.
Got it. That sounds amazing.
Okay. Extension.
Yep, perfect. And then select the other screen. Niche. Yeah, display. LG Ultra. Okay, and that looks perfect. And then just usko drag it to the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, and drag it to the bottom. Perfect. Lag aa gaya?
Setting on the pad as well. Go to the settings. OBS settings.
Settings.
Yeah. Output. Video encoder. The third one, this one. Yeah, use hardware. Yep.
What this? Both
The hardware. One is 264. H264. Yeah, apply it. And
Okay.
then start. Should be fine now.
All right. Hopefully, it'll be fine in a scratch top here.
Yeah, we need.
Oh, the top.
We should have B top.
Oh, yeah.
This is prettier.
I love it. So good. I think we're fine now.
Yeah, we are fine. We have 50%.
Let's look at the stream. How are we doing here?
It's working.
OBS media plugin container blah 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 alacrity LinkedIn notes.
LinkedIn? What's happening in your Google Chrome? Why is it blowing up?
Yeah, not sure. Okay, we figure out this later.
All right. Hopefully, you guys can see the screen now. We're going to start coding now. We're going to repeat the steps that we did before. Step number 1 was mkdir. What's Dinobot? We already have a folder called ArbsBot. What have you been doing before this?
100x.
All right.
CDR. Oh fuck.
What are you opening? Okay.
Yeah, we don't have that.
All right. Cargo init. What's Super Tower?
Secret projects.
Secret project. Okay, never mind.
We do Tokyo full. What else?
Solana SDK.
We need cargo add anyhow.
Anyhow.
Solana SDK.
Tungsten.
Cargo add. Oh, we need to zoom in a bit.
Yeah, go for it. Keep going. Yeah, more. That's good.
What else?
Tungsten. TUN.
Tungsten, right.
Yeah.
TUNG
ST.
TEN.
Oh yeah, tungstenite. There you go.
What else?
Yellowstone.
Yeah, we'll add like a specific version for it.
Yeah.
Okay, we can close this guy.
All right. Cargo.toggle.
Just move some stuff from somewhere.
Right. Ooh, what is that?
We don't talk about it.
Okay.
Nice repository.
Yeah. What is that private key? Ledger password?
1, 2, 3, 4. What else we need? We need bind code to deserialize. So bind code will use for deserialization. Anyhow, we have dot envs. We need env logger.
Do we?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want my secret.
Oh yeah, we'll have a wallet key there eventually. We
Yeah,
need
one
that.
cell, we can skip one cell. We don't need simulation, right? We'll skip moose log. Tokyo full, we need this version of Tokyo. This is like optimized shit.
Okay. 1.28.0.
Yeah, this has like a lighter thing. We need Yellowstone 6, we need tracing tonic. Just don't ask where I'm bringing this. Okay, B64 SPL, this is split it great, so it's fine. We're good.
It's good. All right. To tell everyone, anyhow is used for error handling.
Yeah.
Solana SDK is used for probably talking to.
All like Solana functions are wrapped in this. We should probably downgrade. What version I have in here? It should be 2.3. Yeah, 2.2.1.
2.2.1. And Tungsten for the WebSocket client.
Yeah.
Win code for deserializing data from the blockchain. .env logger for environment files. Tokyo as the runtime. Tonic tracing.
Is tracing and tracing. All these three are basically tracing logs and stuff.
Yeah.
So general tracing.
What is tonic?
Tonic is mostly for gRPC stuff.
Right.
And we have both gRPC client and the proto with a specific version that I don't talk about why, but yeah.
Okay. But there's a good reason for it.
Yeah, there's a good reason for it. Just consider use that version.
Okay, and we have UUID.
Yeah.
That sounds perfect.
Just check everything compiles. So what need?
We need a Tokyo main runtime.
We need async.
Please zoom in a bit. Yeah, it's good.
We need to handle some errors. This will go as result. What happened to my LSP? Okay, it's slow. I don't use cursor. Sorry.
It's okay. What do you use?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? You code in Notepad or what?
No, this has nothing. This is like raw LSP only.
Okay, got it. Oh, this is no. There's some AI suggestions that I saw.
No, that is it's like Copilot or something that I cannot turn off.
Why can't you turn it off?
Well, I can turn off, but it's like it does some good recommendations sometime, very late.
Okay, sounds good.
It's like slow. Anyway, we have this. What do we need? We need
to spin 2 new threads. We need to first create the variables. Let's create the 2 structs that we have defined.
Yeah, we need what? We need DEX struct.
And
Let's call it DEX struct, right?
Yeah.
This needs to be like, what do we keep? We make a custom type.
Yeah, we create a struct Uber.
We do
struct,
public struct,
DEX struct.
This will be token out. This will be U64 and token in. Assuming we have one pool. I think
again, token out is
token. Okay,
should it be token 1 out and token 2 out or something like that?
No. A token in is like the token that is like we are putting in. We can put mints as well, so that makes.
Let's not make it generic. Let's assume it's Sol USDC.
Okay,
let's keep it simple.
So this will be Sol. This will be USDC.
So what does it represent though?
Amount out.
If
basically,
I put one,
if you put one Sol, you get X many USDC out.
Oh.
Or it's vice versa. If you put one USDC, you get point whatever Sol out. So it's not price. It's number of tokens you get out or number of tokens you get in.
I'm still confused.
Okay, so think in this way. Think in this way. You do Sol to USDC.
Right.
Swap. Right.
Right.
So one Sol, if you put, what do you get?
200 USDC.
200 USDC. That means one Sol ki price is 200 USDC.
Correct.
But market doesn't work this way. Because price is nothing. Price is something, but when you're dealing with AMMs or stuff like this,
it'll go down. It'll go down.
Yeah, it moves.
Right.
So you cannot assume that the price will be this. So what you deal with is something called amount out.
Okay.
So AMMs or all these like order books and stuff, they don't deal with like pricing a lot.
Okay.
AMMs especially don't deal with pricing. They deal with something called amount out,
Okay.
which will be for a given number of tokens in, what will be the number of tokens out from the other end. So consider token A in, what amount you get as token B out. This is what your this is basically a swap.
Okay.
Swap is not quantity multiplied by price.
Okay.
That is like the beginner's mistake kind of thing. This is basically the swap.
I'm still very confused. Just write the whole thing, then I understand. I'm still confused as to what token in and token out are.
Okay, yeah. So
This will be a arc.
Yeah,
new.
let's just do arc new.
Let's just do mutex for now. I think either is fine. Like,
Mutex.
you know, I will do an argue.
Okay, mutex new. We do this and we do 0
for now. Yeah.
0 u64. Yeah, u64. Token out.
Steady weather. Missing
Yeah,
a comma.
This is good. We are good.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah.
And then a sex struct, which will be
best bid and best stars. Public struct. This will be sex struct.
best bid.
Yeah, we'll change this to best bid
Yep, perfect.
and
Best ask.
best ask. This will be again not in this, not in this. Is this fine though?
Yeah, that looks right.
Let's copy this. This will be. This is.
Best bid, best ask, and this will be the sex struct. So line 25.
Yes, extract. Extract.
Beautiful. I think we can just spawn 2 threads.
Yeah, let's just do 2q spawn. Spawn. We need async move. So this will be like the streaming thread, right?
Yes.
This will be streaming gRPC, and we'll have one more. Okay, yeah, streaming backpack APIs that update this. So we need clones of this. Let
Dex struct clone 1.
Dex, struct gRPC clone equals to this, and we get the same one. Let 6
Dex.
backpack. Yeah, this will be BP. Yes.
Perfect.
What is this completely? Okay, let.
Just write some logic itself.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
We do join first. Let's do J1. Let J2. We do join all. There should be a join all.
No, but it shouldn't happen here though, right? I mean, the third
At
thread
the
again.
end. At the end, it should happen, right? Join.
What the third thread? I thought we'll take the main thread to be the third thread. वो तीसरा thread भी तो that's actually doing the arm.
Yeah, that's there. So we do let J3 Tokyo spawn.
Yeah, or the main thread can be it.
Yeah, let's not block main thread.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sound is very low, so we're going to be a little louder, guys. My bad. The sound was low. I'm going to speak right in your ears now. What we're doing is trying to complete the architecture that we talked about a while back. The architecture had 2 state variables. One was a dex struct, one was a sex struct. The dex struct is supposed to be populated by thread number 2 over here, that's J2. The sex struct, dex struct J1. The sex struct is supposed to be populated by J2, and J3 is just going to have the logic to actually do the arb, figure out the arb, and finally spawn the transactions. So that's what we're doing here. We have defined a function called
handle arb transactions.
A function called handle arb transactions that is just going to run an infinite loop.
No, this will be.
Oh, sorry, this is for.
Yeah, this will be Tokyo task.
Yeah.
This will be like a Tokyo task. Whoever don't know, Tokyo tasks are relatively lightweighted than the main Tokyo.
It's like Go routines in Go.
Yeah. Do Tokyo moves.
And
this will complete. Okay, let's do this. We come back to this later.
And we should probably figure out the arguments. So arguments are going to be, I don't know, amount number, what happened? So what we were saying was, can we figure out the arguments to this? So what it'll be like, I don't know, sex quantity by dex quantity by something like that.
I think we'll need raw transactions.
No, eventually, but like, of course, we'll eventually need that. But abhi
So
ke
I
liye,
think let's just pass both the structs and we figure out internally how to.
okay, works. That works. That's perfect.
But no, the problem is.
This is another.
Yeah, let's just pass both the struct.
Okay.
Reference to both.
That
the
should
struct.
work. So dex struct.
Dex struct will be okay.
Yeah.
We need sex
Struct, which will be same thing.
Yeah, same.
Perfect.
Anyway, so we deal with here whatever.
Yeah.
Right.
That looks perfect.
gRPC stuff. So we'll need gRPC connection. We'll just copy something.
This is for connecting to Yellowstone.
Yeah, this is for connecting to Yellowstone.
I've never done this before. I gave an assignment for this week. I've myself not done it though.
I think I showed in like one of the classes sometime back, right?
Okay.
So you need this TLS config. Yeah, wait, we'll do this, right?
Yeah.
So we'll need like a TLS config. This will be charging.
Oh, you need charge. Yeah, that should do it.
It's a WSS stream.
No, this is that will be this one, the second one. Backpack API. This is a gRPC stream.
Yeah.
Okay.
This will be like this. You import this from Yellowstone. This is the TLS config for that. We do client. The client will be Geyser. Geyser client. Yeah, Geyser client. This will be built from shared, right? Built from shared. We need URL. URL to do URL here, and we do X token. We can do public URL, I think. So we don't do.
But we're doing a Japan server, no?
Yeah, we'll do Japan server. I need to.
So we'll have to
go
change the
offline
code
for
later.
that. Yeah, we'll update the URL.
Okay, I should do public one for now. That's
Yeah.
good.
Okay, we have to do this, right? What we need TLS config. We do TLS config. This now do client.connect and dot. Okay, what is this? It's result. We can do this as a. If this is complaining, yeah, this is complaining. We cannot do this way.
Convert. Just unwrap it. It's fine.
Yeah, we do unwrap.
Is it returning a result? Did you have to unwrap?
Yeah, we have to unwrap. We can
okay.
go this route though. So we can do let. Okay, this should fix it. No?
Remove the unwrap then.
No, this also has.
Oh, this also has it.
client.
Okay.
Yeah, this
Let.
is
Is it?
Yeah, should be fine.
Does it say?
Pattern error.
I think it's
yeah.
if let hota hai wo, I think.
Yeah, we do context. Error making
What's the dot context?
this is anyhow's context.
Okay,
So
got it.
Yeah.
You see that? Are you sure it's let okay client?
If?
Yeah.
I don't think
No,
so.
if let okay.
Okay. Yeah. If let okay this.
Yeah, and then put the whole thing inside.
Yeah. Okay.
Brackets though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. There you go.
And then this client here.
Yeah.
We do client then. So we do
Client.
dot connect. We need connect dot await dot. We can do context. Select it to context. Context will be error.
Oh, so context it just converts it into an anyhow error.
Yeah, it just picks up the anyhow thing. So if we can do, we do connected client. So this will be like the updated client.
Yep. Perfect.
We just unwrap it. What we do, we just unwrap the thing. So we'll fix the unwraps later.
All right.
Client dot, we have to do subscription request. Subscribe with request. There should be request or no subscribe.
I saw subscribe with request. Oh, subscribe.
Subscribe dot await.
How do we
request though?
Yeah, there's a subscribe with request. Fourth one. Yeah, there we go. Right above it. Right below it.
Request.
Yeah.
You have to build a request. That's the pain one. We'll copy.
So this is just.
This is like filters and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. This is a pain in JavaScript also. I'd never understand what
this is like
these filters are.
Hash map stuff. We'll just
Yeah.
copy it and.
But do you understand all the keys here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like account owner.
Yeah. So this is this. Let's just comment half of it so you can just put fix this thing.
Counts is hash
Why is
map.
crying? Hash map collections. You should not cry. Why is this crying? If
Maybe
you're missing a
else clause. I don't think it's that. Does the thread return? Oh, I think it's just returning. So you're returning something in if. Don't return anything. Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, so this is like account hash map of the filter. So you provide a key that will be like the thing. So we put this. This is the filter construct.
Okay.
What we are trying to do is put Radium's CLLM's ID as string.
Oh, you're saver only.
Yeah. So
Owner is radium. Correct.
so
That
we
looks
do
fine.
to string. This will be like right. This should fix it. We'll put a ID here.
Okay.
Let's just mark it.
This is a radium.
This will be Radium's thing. This is their pool ka state filter. So I'll just copy it from somewhere.
Pool state discriminator. So we need to find.
What we are trying to do is this will be like a vec thing. I'll just do vec and empty it. This is again a to do. Right. So what we are trying to do is basically. Oh, why is this crime? This will be get filter. Okay. No crime. Yeah. We need imports. This will be account filter. This will be like the mem copy filter, and filter will be the filter object. Yeah, filter object.
Offset 0 data sum of.
Yeah. So basically, what it's trying to do is for this account, that will be the program ID, right? So all Radium accounts are owned by the Radium program.
Bilkul.
CLLM. So this is that. Accounts is empty because we don't need to specify which account. We need all the accounts.
Okay.
We can specify a Radium pool account, so that way it cuts out the thing.
Yeah, that's it, right? That's what we need.
We'll filter.
We can filter just on the account, but I think this gives
it.
problems. I think what you're doing here is better.
Yeah. We do this. We put the account key from on chain. I have a key there from Soul Pool at least. We are doing Soul R, right?
Yes, Soul UCC.
Yeah, so I have the key anyway. We do that. Offset 0 is basically so all the accounts have discriminator in it. So we filter by discriminator, right? So because this account can come a lot of times, right? In updates and stuff. So usually you have this way. If you put account, you don't need to put filter. I was using owner, so that's why I had this filter.
If we just put account, aren't we good?
Yeah, we should be good. We'll
Okay.
just,
I don't think we're good. But in JavaScript, में try किया था ये. If I put an account, it was listening to that account. Maybe what you have already is fine.
Yeah, let's see. We'll try.
Okay.
And we do basically this. We just insert self name to string. This we just like to. So we just call it client. The key to string, and we do subscribe request. It should be request.
Subscribe request.
This will be default.
What's a dot interest?
This is basically from this struct. It will copy the defaults.
Oh, it's like dot.
Yeah, and this is like option. So this is like TypeScript version of. We do option.
I think it's some.
Sorry, yeah. Client why is it crying? Mutable.
Oh, just
okay,
make
we
it
have
mutable.
to declare the client as mutable.
Perfect.
Because it's getting updated. Client is fine. This will give us two things, I think. This will give us a tuple, if I remember correctly. This should be a tuple. Yeah. We have a subscribe thing and a
producer and
yeah, I'll just copy the exact.
Or I think you have to unwrap it.
Yeah.
Still think it returns the result.
Yeah, this will be like the stream.
Yeah.
Stream, and this will be the thing. And this will be like we don't do test transactions. So we'll just use this thing, and this needs unwrapping. We do a match here. This can go wrong.
Okay.
To match, we do okay of result. If the result is okay, then result else error. Print anyhow. We are good. Why is this crime?
Hold on. Oh yeah, I think you've returned.
Okay, I'm returning again. Am I returning again? Yeah, I'm returning.
Scroll up.
It should not be returning. No, nothing is getting returned.
Yeah, just hover over the error. What does it say? Miss my time. Expected error found.
Where?
Oh.
passing. You're not returning.
Someone you're returning something. Scroll down. जो match था आपका match. Show the match.
Matches. Okay, yeah, it's doing this right. We
Just print it. Yeah, that's fine.
Just print it. We don't do anything.
Yeah.
Let it cry.
What's the yellow warning? The blue warning there.
We're not doing.
Match arms have incompatible types.
Okay, let's just do this easy way around. We
Unwrap. Yeah, perfect. Love that.
Or we do expect it can crash it. That's better. Expect error unable to make gRPC connection request.
Perfect.
And we just let it cry. This stream should we have to iter on this.
This is where you start to receive the messages.
Yeah.
Okay.
This
Perfect.
will be a loop of we don't have shutdown, right? Usually I have a shutdown receiver.
Okay.
So I can close the stream, but we YOLO on that.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, so we do stream.next.
So you got iter or next shadow zoom.
Why is it crying red message?
Equals stream. No, it's not a result.
Oh, I need that. I need to trade.
Oh, it'll tell you.
It's called future utils. We don't have the create and right, so that's why it's crying.
There's a very weird error why this happens. Yeah. There's a very weird explanation of why this happens.
Trade stuff.
Yeah.
We need futures and we need future utils. Future. Let's just get everything.
There's a comma. You should put a.
Yeah.
Perfect. And that did no stream dot.
This should iter now. Iter. Please iter.
Stream dot next.
Oh, next, right? Yeah. My bad.
There we go. Wait.
We do match.
Do you guys know why that happened? Why did you have to import something to use that to use a function?
Client chat.
Yeah. Very weird error that happens in traits. We have discussed this in the traits class also, I say. But basically, if you want to use a trait that's implemented on a struct, that trait needs to be imported. Even if it has been implemented by default on a struct, you have to import it to actually be able to use its functions. And this is one common one that you'll see. Future X to the one that he imported at the top that you need from time to time. Let message equals await.
Maybe to. We should not do this.
Yeah. Let's do unwrap.
Unwrap.
I mean, for now it's fine. We can use it later.
Match the messages.
You don't need that anymore. Yeah. Message equal to this thing.
So now
Massage.
Yes.
And
massage to unwrap it. It will be like match it.
so match is also a what? Sorry, massage is also a
result
thing you take in Thailand. Result.
Yeah, we need result. We don't return it here.
Okay.
At error, we do like a log. We print line error enabled. Message needs to get batch. This needs to be R.
Motherfucker, I don't even appear in the stream. Okay, code like this now.
Okay, yeah, this.
No, you're good. Can you?
No.
I mean, it's all good. You can also. Whatever you can comfortable.
Yeah,
I'm also here, guys.
Yeah.
I just saw I wasn't there in the stream. Sorry, where were we? I disturbed you. R dot.
Basically, we are converting it to this update one of type, and in that specifically accounts, it's a enum.
Okay.
This is the enum wrapped of. Basically, enum wrapped in struct into that. So we do this, and inside this we have R. R should have account, and we have to do what?
Data.
We do if let sum of account. We don't do owner. We need account. Account has the change.
Data.
So this is the change.
The change.
The change itself. So we do a print line on this.
do you mean this has a change? This has the actual account data, right?
Yeah,
The account का जो data है.
Yeah, accounts update. So we are subscribing to updates.
So it has a current state of the account.
Yeah.
अभी इसमें कितने क्या है?
Exactly. So
Yeah.
we put the first public nodes. We need a URL for temporary running this.
Okay, so we're getting an RPC URL from public nodes.
Yeah. Don't spam these guys, please. I need.
Oh, this is the gRPC.
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. All right, let's see if we get back some data on that specific. Oh, did you put the right address though? You just have empty strings.
Yeah.
So we're going to put the right addresses for account owner and
This needs to be.
I should not understand the third filter अभी यहाँ पे. It was on my laptop though, so but it's okay. You've already subscribed to that specific Soul USDC market.
Yeah, for testing.
सही में? The same Soul USDC market on Radium. Okay.
My test cases are like goated.
Oh, you're written test cases.
So this is the pool. You so
Let me do that here. We want to see it.
I was just avoiding my wallet address getting it.
So that's his
Fuck,
wallet
I had
address
a meeting.
at 11:30. Yeah, evening 11:30.
It should be 11:30. We have 2 minutes.
All right, Dhruv will have to go in 2 minutes, so we'll take it over from there. This is the Soul USDC market. So where does this go? Just make this start before you go. Just show us some data before you go.
We have 2 minutes. Speed through.
Let's paste the.
Okay.
This is probably.
No.
Yeah, this is the account.
Yeah, we do this empty.
Okay. And then,
We remove filter. Don't need filter.
all right. Let's
we
see
should
if we
run
get back
it.
the data. We'll get raw bytes. We'll somehow have
Yeah,
to.
it should be raw bytes. This is like a very active pool, so it should have like a lot of data. We have to switch team.
Oh shit! You have your laptop. Need your laptop.
Intertracing is
Separate thread. One is for the gRPC.
okay. Connecting
You get the data.
connecting to gRPC server failed.
Right.
And this has some TLS issue. Okay, yeah, I copied public.
Can you push the code?
Yeah, push it.
That you are good. This is what I want.
I can do it on my phone.
You can?
I think.
Pakka? No pressure.
No, it's not important type meeting anyway.
You're saying this on a public stream. What if the guy's listening?
I doubt he's listening.
What if he is listening?
The guy doesn't know me. The
Okay.
company raised like shit ton of money. I should not say.
What did you say? Company raised a shit ton of money. I shouldn't say. Is that what you said? Okay, sorry.
Yeah, you guys.
Yeah, I'll take it from here.
I
All
need
right.
like
A room? What do you
no. I need like
need? Internet?
no
I need
charging.
A woman?
No,
My life?
charging.
How are we doing, folks? समझ आ नहीं आया? आ रहा है, समझ के नहीं आ रहा है. You guys understand anything or not? If the answer is no, say no. All right, YouTube. We need a new mic setup thingy. All right. Let's see what you guys are up to.
No, I need like
Internet. You guys understand what is happening?
no charging.
Give me a yes or a no. Give me a yes or a no if you guys can hear. Oh, no. How are we doing, folks? I think we're good. समझ तो आ रहा है, which is good. All right. So, what happened? He cancelled.
No, he asked to move the meeting.
He himself asked to move the meeting. Well, there we go. Dhruv back.
No. Someone like Rob pulled that.
Someone rug pulled what?
Yeah,
Some rug pull discussions before we proceed.
like Jack BTC had like.
Zach BTC rug pulled.
No.
He shared someone. Okay, there's a new crypto hack in town, guys. There's a new crypto hack in town.
It's not hacked, but yeah.
It appears the Solana project 𝗥𝗲𝗳𝗀𝗀 has likely rug pulled 21,000 souls, so that's around $4.65 million, after being promoted by a bunch of companies. A few hours ago, the funds were split 4 ways, transferred between intermediary addresses before being sent to multiple instant exchanges. The team has since turned off replies on X. And this is a pre-sale address. Okay, that's not a hack really. Crypto people did crypto things, so nothing that's new in the crypto world. All right, so we continue.
Hacks in NPM is also nothing new.
What happened there?
You could run, I think, arbitrary code or something.
For which library? Why do you need tissues, Dhruv?
My finger got cut.
What were you doing? Why do your finger cut? Dhruv's a fancy guy. He went out for 2 minutes, came back with a finger that's cut, and now he's looking for tissues. I think he was faking the meeting throughout. He just wanted to go out for 2 minutes. We just found a malicious code in a popular NPM package called 𝗟𝗲𝗍𝗍. Before you do anything further, go to the website NPM package 𝗟𝗲𝗍𝗍 and look at the number of weekly downloads. You'll see a number north of $47 million. Sorry, 47 million. And in index.js file line 9, there isn't an error handling grab like React or Express. It's a tiny one little utility package, but a deep within dependency tree of thousands of projects around the globe. It's the kind of package let me just open this here now. All right, we'll do a quick read about a new NPM hack that came in town, then we'll proceed. A quick read of a new hack on NPM. So this is 𝗟𝗲𝗍𝗍𝗀𝗍𝗍 Substack hack. All right, I'm very interested to see what this is. But then I can't open his WhatsApp.
Airdrop, no? Just like say it in here.
𝗟𝗲𝗍𝗍𝗍𝗍.
Substack.
Oh, Substack, my bad. Substack.
I guess
I guess fine. It's also fine. Okay, someone else said the same thing. No, this is something else. This is September 8th.
Yeah, I mean, same.
Well, the same thing only.
Yeah.
Okay, debug and chalk are 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗀𝗀𝗀 dependencies that use the other dependency, _-ex.
Oh, Chalk also got hacked.
Seems like it.
That's crazy.
What happened above all packages started having new versions released. For example, being is array-ish has a new version now. After applying a bit of obfuscation, we got a fairly complex piece of code still, which looks something like this. Oh, and it is a crypto hack. Over there it was _-ex. Here it's is-array-ish. But which is I think it is this only. The above package all start having new version released. For example, here being is arrays, which is this one right here, which looks something like this.
Oh, wow, this line went over.
After applying a bit of deobfuscation, it looks something like this. The malware is essentially a browser-based interceptor that hijacks both network traffic and application APIs, injects itself into functions like fetch or this thing, and common wallet interfaces, and silently rewrites values in the request and response. So that means any sensitive identifiers such as payment destinations or approval targets can be swapped out by the attacker. You are interesting tha वैसे. Yep, I've been pawned to your research thing. Okay, so this package, this guy got pawned, and then someone pushed a new code to, I'm assuming not is array-ish, something else. _-ex, I think, is the one that has the problem. But it was published 7 years ago. It's not been touched since. Oh, it uses this array. So maybe this is the one that was problematic. And where?
Reminds this object can be used like an array.
Yeah, great.
And weird.
But this was also published 7 years ago. This looks pretty normal to me right now. And it has
Let's go to the
7
GitHub
versions. Hold on. Latest 9 years ago. We haven't seen anything weird here.
Or maybe like NPM did like NPM JS, like they did like global rollback like that.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Basically, 47 million people have this in their projects. And
Then that translates to a lot of users.
whoever has. No, I mean like that.
Package versions.
getting
So
damage.
_-ex.
You know, that's why like you have like log files, like no need
So
to.
everything has a dependency to is arrays. So this is probably the one that's compromised. Let's look at their GitHub. Let's see the new issues here. Yeah, this is probably the one that got compromised. It appears malware was pushed to NPM. See this, line 12 contains obfuscated code. Same for packages thing. Airdrop, just 1 second. Alright, just close the hunting makes sense. There's an issue here. Open airdrop.
Yeah, and you can just like do it from there. Control center, like lift up the date.
Hold on, let me just close that. Left of the date.
Yeah, there is like a command menu, right? Like
This one?
yeah, that one. There's the airdrop.
Alright.
Everyone.
Alright. Sorry, what are we doing?
We are just sending the Substack link.
Okay. I mean, I think We get it now. We can proceed to the project. Still send it. We'll look at it.
So then
for
you
a
have
bit.
5 seconds. Oh yeah.
I think it
Accept.
came. Allah. Accept. All right, there we go. One last read, then we will proceed. We just found a malicious code in the popular NPM package. Before you read any further, go to the website. This thing, it has 47 million row index.js, line number 9. This isn't a headline grabbing framework like React or something. Basically, this guy used is 𝗟𝗲𝗃𝗀𝗀. It's not using it over here.
Object.length.
Yeah, you can do a bunch of things. People just have dumb
You know, like I think
packages
might
out
be like
there.
load as. Like that.
Oh yeah, load dash.
Like you say like you can do it this way, but
All right,
multiple ways. Okay.
makes sense. There's a hack. It originated from is 𝗟𝗲𝗃, and unfortunately, a bunch of popular libraries use is
but I
𝗟𝗃.
don't think like a lot of them are like affected, right?
I mean, I think as soon as this happened, they figured it out. So only people who did an upgrade on their servers, which is like not a lot of people. So, all right. So you back from your session? How was it? Best 2 minutes of your life?
Damaged.
Damage?
No cursor.
Sorry, Z. My bad. There you go. We're almost here. I think we saw it run, but then there was a transport error. So feel free to take it over.
Yeah. We do what's
I'll go for my 2 minutes. Back in 2 minutes.
What's going on? Connecting error. Connecting gRPC server. Error connecting to. Okay, I cannot connect to this. Should I do? I cannot type. Fuck. Yeah. Why is this crying?
line number 58.
Do get. Tonic transport error, DNS. Some issue with DNS. Okay. It did ran. We do dash no capture. What is this weird error? Unwrap tonic 55. 55 is this? 55. This connect is not happening. Okay.
Is that like the correct gRPC URL? 100%.
Yeah, I copied. Yeah. Notes. Yeah, I copied from here.
With gRPC endpoint is like HTTPS.
It should be HTTPS. Wait, if I even remove this, it should work.
Yeah, I mean.
It should not give error. Yeah, same error.
Same. Invalid URL scheme is missing.
Yeah.
Oh, you need, I think, gRPC.
No, it's there. It's HTTP only. Oh, I don't use this one though. First time problems. DNS error. Interrupted. Yeah, what's this?
It will not be like this. What I mean.
No.
gRPC.
HTTP it's picking up, so we are good. It says tonic transport error, correcting DNS error, interrupt the joint cancel. Okay, weird. We need a different gRPC maybe. Client, weird. Should work, but not gRPC. If I do change it to testnet,
Do
wait, let me check testnet if it's our code or if it's our code or oh no, this is working. This side is working. This doesn't give us any errors. Okay, this gives us. DNS error. Why is this crying? Should I just remove TLS config from the whole thing? And remove context. So why is this client? Okay, yeah, I should not enter. Same DNS error on testnet. If I do HTTP, DNS
It's saying
error.
like DNS error, right?
This
Can
is
you
not
look up that URL?
Yeah, we there's another project that I can check the thing is working on or not. Cargo. God, read me. Yeah, dot slash target slash release slash. There should be I have the thing set up. I think I'll just need to do cargo run. This has my cargo run dash R. Yeah, the URL is correct. Something is wrong with our code. This is using the testnet URL.
Okay.
So something is wrong.
I think you also have like the same client code there as well, right?
Yeah.
Can you open that?
So,
Z dot. Just global search for that.
this is
Rs. And then.
we do X token. There's no X token.
Yeah. Yeah, I
So
mean,
we
like
do
if you
M2.
don't have token, then anyone can subscribe to this, right?
No. So what we do is we do X token only. X token. X token.
X underscore token.
No, not there. We need to do build from shared, right? This will be. Oh, we need to do unwrap first. Unwrap, then we do X token.
Yes.
And token will be none. We don't have it. Then we do TLS config. Then we unwrap again, and then we do TLS config and pass in TLS config. This should work now.
I think token cannot be
Okay,
null, right?
this is working now. We have some other errors. Yeah, X token. Why did I not certify? Why? Why is this crying?
Maybe you need to have like some value there.
No. Then it will send that value. We don't want any value. This should be none, right? This should work. Can we do sum of none then? At this point, this should not be the case, right? Yeah. This is nothing. Yeah, we do. Maybe we do this. If this works, no. This this worked. We empty sum. We do empty string. Let's see how that. It should not give us any errors. Yeah, DNS errors.
Check where are you using the constant token on it. It's self, right?
No, X token. So usually X token is not part of the. Yeah, malab this. It's not part of the this stack.
Oh yeah, hi.
Some issue with gRPC.
Alright.
Or maybe just put it HTTPS, no?
Oh yeah, HTTPS, right. Let's see now.
Oh yes.
Let's
DNS error.
Yeah.
Unwrap on.
So खोलना जरा एक नया
किस part को?
colon 443 remove colon 443
No, that's the URL only. It's part.
That's a part of the URL.
try once. Okay. Telnet कर लो directly.
No, this is working. I checked in another project. So
See like how you have implemented there, no?
this is the code.
No, like where you have instantiated.
Check.
Endpoint दिखाना है इसमें.
Then this is connect, bro. See this?
Yeah, I mean like you have passed the endpoint and the X token, right?
This is coming from env. This config. See, this is exactly. There's no X token to it.
Then whatever you have passed, just pass that, huh?
Exactly. This needs to be none. Yeah, this will go none.
Okay, that works. 4 for 3 dollars.
No, why is this crying though? It should take option, right? Option is none.
Click on it. Click on X. Token.
It's taking option. Option is none. None works.
I think you have to specify that. Like, करना होगा उसको क्या करना है?
Cannot set it trying to meta value. Protonic metadata is key. Where's this guy?
I think you might have to pass that generic उससे पहले. I could be wrong.
Generic is it?
Just see like what's the T extents, right?
इसको copy करना.
Done.
And then paste it right after X underscore token.
Oh, like this?
Yeah. Oh, mind.
Yeah, I don't think. Oh no, we do this right.
Yeah.
No, this should work. This is correct, bro. Yeah. This is completely because.
Show your code यहाँ पे. Do you even need to pass X underscore token?
We can skip it.
Yeah, exactly.
It can, I was expecting it to work with none, but it's not.
How do I get a transport like DNSL? I mean, the answer is pretty simple. You run this abhi on this Wi-Fi, it works.
Yeah, this works. Tonic. Is there any tonic stuff on this? Nope. Do we have interceptor and stuff imported? Any update one filter geyser? We import interceptor as well. Let's see if that helps. It's like trade, right?
Scroll down. Okay. कौन से unwrap पे fail हो रहा है ये?
55. So this
client, it's not able to.
I mean, like it will fail while it tries to connect, right?
Connect नहीं हो पा रहा ना वो.
wait, let's do this though.
TLS config is correct or?
It's like the default one. Let's do await, unwrap and await here. Wait, why is this? We do connect and then await, and we don't do connect here. This should. It's asking me to put. We do mute here. Let's see if this helps. No. We need
It
tracing.
doesn't throw error now. Why?
Yes, this is working. We are not waiting for the threads, right? That's the problem. What? Event dot await. We have to do join all, but okay, we'll do that later. Yep, this works. We need tracing. Do we have any tracing code to
Can
call
we
it?
just log? See that I say.
No, yeah, we can log. If I do no capture, that should log.
Are you logging any messages?
No,
Somewhere?
printing.
When you're subscribing?
No, we are printing line.
Print
Yes.
not printing.
Yeah, it won't
So
print.
put a print डालना above the message. Like
Here?
Yeah, put a print here. Put a print above also.
Code came here.
Code here. Here it is.
Which here?
Hello one.
This is Debugging in town.
Then one above it also.
Like every
Right
every
up.
place where it's
Right
all
after.
Like this.
Right after loop.
So we have three.
One
One.
more. Okay, at least that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, so we got one. This one gets print. This doesn't return anything.
Subscribe and
So
request the second one.
okay,
Oh,
yeah.
No,
okay.
it's print.
You know your way. So then,
No, but this is in loop.
yeah,
Yeah, that's fine. Like you are just
It's waiting for the next
Yeah.
message. And then the next message. So it's just, but it's okay. Scroll down. Yeah, put a message inside. Okay. Escape. Exactly. I think it's coming here.
It's looping.
Just print the account, right?
Yeah, printing the account.
Yeah, but you have a bunch of if checks. Let's just remove.
No,
I
this
mean
is
code,
like the
code
check.
here too will like tell us, right, if it worked or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll probably come here. Right?
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
coming. It's coming here, but there's no update to the account, I think.
Still print the data. Just want to see what the data looks like. Deserialize it. So it's print the data. Remove the second if I guess.
You are.
r.account.trap.
We have the mainnet URL, right? Oh no, fuck, that's a problem.
Oh,
Yeah, I was put.
Update to the
right. What is this service called? Public node.
Yeah,
Are these public nodes?
yeah. All notes. The company that is sponsoring. No part, not our video, but the
Now it should send a lot. There should be a lot of transactions, no? Am I wrong?
Once you subscribe.
Are those addresses on mainnet as well?
Yeah. So we are getting updates. Ping.
Something subscribe, update, ping. So what do you?
This is ping. Yeah. Buffer. This is the. Yeah.
Data.
Let's just kill this so we can see the exact thing. We don't need this. We don't need this filter. What else? What else? We are good. We are good. We are good.
Yeah.
This account.
You already know how to initialize the account.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Account. Yeah, we are getting the account. Perfect. We need a radium math. Radium CLLM. .rs. Array fuck underscore rest problems.
It's perfect.
Where the
Alright.
Okay, we need structs copy.
You create them yourself or
This.
the structure?
Yeah, this is like a wrap. Yeah, people cannot see this, right? That's good. This is like a wrapper library of all accounts. So no one.
Wrote them
yeah.
yourself?
What we need Saturday JSON.
Just the one that we need.
Yeah, we need everything because the thing will cry if we don't pass it everything.
Right. Perfect.
Did you copy all accounts?
Yeah.
This is a CLNM.
Yeah, this is the pool ka thing.
Right.
Yeah, this won't cry. We need reward info. Where is reward info? It's coming from types. Okay, yeah, let's just.
Based on the whole thing.
Yeah.
Okay. You also want your GitHub eventually.
This is like public stuff. People can figure out. They just need to throw enough time. Yep. This is like deserialized format.
Okay.
What we do here is basically typecast. So we do let pool equals to pool state, and we do bind code deserialize. We have to do .8. This is like so 8 dot. Basically slicing the data. We do account dot data. This should work. We just have to log it. Why is this crying? Okay, yeah, result. Let's just do unwrap. I know this will work. Guys, don't do unwrap. We are doing like too much unwraps. Pool state.
Right. That works. That'd be beautiful. Too much suspense here.
No update or update. I should not remove the console logs.
Shouldn't take that long though.
Yeah.
I think it's already happening. What if many are away?
Then it just takes like a lot of time to connect. No?
I think that.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, maybe not.
You need the if on line 80. Can you get rid of that comment? The if on line 80.
Yeah,
Last
this-
time it worked, no?
Yeah, this will come. This like the no capture stuff is bad. Should not do. Yes. Wait, let's do. Let's not print.
We put a printer in
Yeah,
after
we'll put print now.
line 77.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go.
So this is parse
That's
data.
perfect.
So now what we do is basically this is the config. Config has the fees. We pull all. Oh, we
I
stop
think
this.
fees is constant only, right?
Yeah, we hardcode the fees for the pool, specific pool.
Do you get the best price? Or if I put in $100 in price out price, can we populate the struct?
Yeah, we do. I have the math. What the fuck? I have
There's
to
like a
move.
math to it proper.
Yeah,
Not as easy as when you
this
learn.
is like the math. We have to move all these files through. That will be pain.
You need all the files you need.
Yeah.
There's no easy. Oh god.
These fuckers have like I should not curse, but they have like custom implementations of type for people to see.
Wrappers on top of U64.
Now
Yeah.
look at you showing your code.
It's fine.
Brew Labs HQ/
No one can. They can have it. It's like a private repo anyway. People can.
We'll steal your laptop.
We'll make it public. Stealing my triple stages.
Yeah.
One thing that's crazy is this flight to Chandigarh.
Oh yeah.
8 hours.
We'll make it, guys. We have got.
Almost there.
Yeah.
Copy the whole math.
Yeah, we'll copy the whole math. I think.
What is the math actually? Can you explain?
It's a CLM.
I can show a bit of math. Malab, yes, fuck it, bro. What the worst will happen?
Make it public.
Yeah. This is anyway abstracted library like cut down. So they have like custom pointers and stuff for easier math. So this is like just commented out macros that we don't need for the math. The main thing is liquidity. So they keep if you see if we run this again. Wait. Fuck. पानी है क्या? So basically how it works is it uses sorry. If you see this value, pool state, what this is the main thing.
Yeah.
Main part of in this is you can basically this liquidity and the price calculation. So CLMs cannot do math directly like one to one.
Right.
They cannot multiply, they cannot loop and stuff. So they scale the value to make the math easy. So this is like x64 scale. Liquidity is also scaled.
So it is like big numbers, right?
Yeah. No, not big numbers. They still use U64 and stuff.
Okay.
But when so basically they store in U64, but when they do math, they do it in custom types.
Yeah.
And to make math easier, right? You cannot multiply stuff or loop stuff. So that's why they use something called liquidity and price square root x64.
Have they documented all? This is just Radium you're saying. Radium.
Every pool has their own. So if we see, right, I have Orca math somewhere here.
These like big numbers, right?
Yeah, Orca also has similar stuff. So Orca also has liquidity.
This was the thing
And-
that you were explaining, right?
Yeah. It's not.
Precision math. They break it down into smaller chunks.
Yeah, see. So Orca stays in U128. And this is their, if you see, they have their own custom math library that is different from,
U256 math.
they have like custom U256 math. Everyone has their own math.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that math gets complicated over time because,
How did you get the types? Like have they open sourced it?
yeah, it's open source. You just have to copy and clean up.
The data. Okay.
So you need to know what you need and what you don't.
Yeah.
And this is like a simplified version of every Solana protocol. We have Solfi as well.
That's so cool.
Yes.
I guess this is one of the biggest modes. Like if you give this to an LLM, then you're screwed. Like these are the things.
That's why it's private.
Yeah.
And I use less ChatGPT.
Makes sense.
I have stuff like this on Ethereum. I don't even post on GitHub.
Yeah.
they train their data profile on a private repository, right?
In private, yes.
Yeah.
Even the private repositories.
Data's gone then.
It's fine. Like it's public, so they can clean it up anyway. But yeah.
Alright. So yeah, everything you just need to copy the math and populate the struct जो ऊपर है, right? Alright, let's do that.
What
So
else?
good. आज अगर ये हो जाए तो मजा आ जाएगा भाई. If the struct is populated, everything is pretty easy from there. Yeah,
You need like all of the maths, right?
Mm.
Then like just clone and like just bring the figure.
Sorry, what is that? And the problem is they need like specific versions of this, and when you have these many packages, right, it's hard to align versions. That's why this is private. Spend some time fixing create versions, bro. You'll cry. So
what is the uint package?
it's basically for custom types and stuff.
Same as Isaresh. Isaresh NPM.
Sorry.
Isaresh.
No, like TypeScript has like already solved this problem.
How TypeScript is
Big
high
numbers
level.
are there.
Oh yeah. I don't think that's the only problem you can do. I think math इतनी on-site story नहीं हो सकती.
And another thing is you cannot multiply numbers. क्योंकि
Same big numbers.
yeah, big
Yeah,
numbers.
makes sense. Like
TypeScript.
Very big number. That's
it will just calculate like power and the initial like the
For representation, they will look like as a string, but the mathematics is different.
Hmm.
Because JavaScript and all, like most of the time it's not like that numbers.
yeah.
Why is this crying? I need mod RS. Lagging?
No, bro, for me it's fine, but
See, like,
Sorry. Why is this crying? Somewhere it's crying. Okay, I need to first copy. The main thing is swap math.rs. So this is basically you'll see functions of base in, base out. Yeah, calculate amount in range, and then we have there should be a base in. Is base in? Yeah. So compute swap step. Okay, yeah, this is the main one. And you do base input in or out. So depending on how you want to configure, 0 for 1 or 1 for 0, and base. So this is how they change code token, base token.
how do they change code token based?
This is like basically what you're inputting, is it base or not,
Okay.
and 0 to 1 is direction.
Yeah, 0 is like swap.
Yeah.
1 is 0 is like buy, 1 is like sell something.
Yeah,
Okay. Interesting.
and they store stuff in bitmap. So this bitmap extension is for that, and we need array size. Where is this is great. And this is just the math for one.
For?
One read, and this is not that big anymore. Fuck.
This is only relevant for radium elements.
Yeah, and they have new stuff out now. So
You can do this again now.
yeah.
You have to see it.
Good stuff. There you go, Sanjay bhai. That's what you're coding. TypeScript. Python, I think.
so yeah. Language is fast, but compilation is slow.
Yeah. And it's very hard to write. If you take a break, you can call it as well.
ये रैप करते हैं ना पहले.
If you can do it, then great, but like no pressure.
कहाँ से import कर रहा हूँ मैं?
Just add to GitHub.
I think array size.
should be somewhere.
Search GitHub maybe.
60. Why is this crying? This should not cry. No. Yeah. Rust analyzer is not that good anywhere.
Is that all the math we need?
Yeah, and we can do swap out math though. I think so. We should have swap out math here. We can calculate for a given amount of what amount of tokens we need. I wrote a test for this somewhere. Where's the test? Where is the test? This also has like code building stuff. So how do you build transactions from all this? So you which thing gets how? This will need. And it simulates and check like everything is working or not, because you have to derive ticks, right? You cannot fetch ticks. So one way is fetch ticks, other is derive. We don't wait for it to get derived, we fetch it. Oh sorry, we derive it, we don't fetch it. Fetch is slow. Where did I write the pull test? Okay, somewhere here. Yeah, here is the test. Radium. Yeah, radium CLLM. So we need fee rate, but we have to fetch the fee rate. So we do pool state, we get the account. We need RPC here. Okay, we go fee rate hard coded. Okay, now this will help us configure stuff. So we are doing base input, this input. This should be a function for this somewhere. Square root price current, square root price liquidity. This is basically the amount we need. This will be pool dot current and pool dot liquidity. This will be square root price scaled. So we use scaled values, both spaces. Tick array, if we need tick array, find accounts. We have to simulate. Is there there should be a token of math somewhere. Okay, and down I have, yeah, this compute swap step. This is the thing we do here. And we do fee rate as 0. What the fuck? Oh, now we wait and see. Yeah, so you see, no, why is this? Okay, yeah, so for what amount in, you get what amount out.
Okay, if it's 100, then I get this much.
Yeah, this is again scaled values, so
Scale by what decimal?
you have to multiply it, divide and multiply it to figure out that.
It's like one soul is $215.
Yeah, roughly that much. So
Okay, makes sense.
see, this is like swap state multiple.
So we just populate these in the global array.
Yeah. Yeah.
9 decimals near $215 is the price basically.
So they
That's like lamp.
That's what I'm saying, right? 10 raised to power 9 and
Hmm.
so 1 soul is $215.
How much is
Yeah,
this? Yeah. Yes, we figure out that. Mm,
We can just simplify the struct also.
this is the inside math struct, so we can log something simple.
Yeah, I mean, you log something pretty simple, right?
Mhm.
It's for 1 soul, you have to pay $215. That's it, right?
Yeah, rough. No, this is reverse. So for $100, how much soul you get? I think.
No, this is
I mean, it looks like
Not
215. I guess, Solana
Oh
price.
wait, yeah, this is 1 soul. Oh, this is amount, and we need for 10 to the power. This is like we change the, so we change the base in right. This we change to false. It will
Okay,
rotate.
then it will give you the opposite.
Yeah, it should give us opposite. And this is not base. This is the other. This becomes quote now.
Makes sense.
So that's how they control like so we have right amount. Basically, Jupyter has exact out, exact in, right? So that's how they do it. They should do it, hopefully. What's up on YouTube?
What's Swissborg?
Switchboard.
Swissborg.
What?
What is Swissborg?
Switchboard.
Swissborg is a company.
Oh yeah.
Swissborg got hacked. Oh, bro, fuck. Swissborg is a. We should not talk about this on this. I know too much. Fuck.
What is Swissborg?
Bro, can we mute? I want to talk about this.
Hold on 1 second, guys.
How do we mute?
for a second?
You can just I think dots.
Oh, yeah, you can actually just touch that.
अरे ब्रो आ जाता तो
Next note from the stream.
yeah, no talks, we only do shady talks. So
Alright, something came. Abhi
okay, same bye.
Out.
Oh yeah, we do this false as well. We do reverse swap, right? We don't do single sided swap. We should do. Bro, are people bored?
How many people are there? 176. That's pretty good. Guys, कुछ समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Anthropic paid $1.5 billion on copyright case. सबकी खुद मैथ है.
अच्छा भाई कुछ. So see, updates are super slow.
Yeah, why is that?
So balance to we can do easily.
But that means the pool is not changing at all for such a long time.
Yeah, that means there's big up or
Exactly, right.
So sex decks we do a lot of for sure.
Money man.
What's the other way? Something else.
Okay.
Okay.
So now amount in, amount
Same.
out.
Same thing.
उल्टा हो गया बस.
Amount of yeah, we do change the direction.
This
No?
makes sense.
Change the direction.
Yeah, we basically configure this and it kind of works out.
Okay. So now coming back to the original question, जो DEX state है हमारी
हाँ.
ऊपर, what does it represent? And what
This is radium's on-chain state.
correct. No, the DEX state जो हमने बनाया था अपना खुद का
Oh,
structure,
okay,
right?
yeah. So basically we put in whatever amount in. So which direction we want to go, right? If you want to consider Sol as the primary asset,
Base asset.
so base asset, then we do Sol as the amount in. We get USDC at the amount out. And we do ask bit will be reverse.
Right.
So if we are doing this, then ask will be my head is ask will be USDC
But
and bid will be Sol
this way.
because we want to get opposite out.
My question is, let's say R can be in any direction, right? We might buy on backpack, sell over here, or we might buy on back here or sell.
So then we need two.
We need to. So let's just stick with one for now. Let's
Yeah.
assume, okay, backpack pe we are buying Solana.
We are buying Solana there. So we are selling Solana on DEX.
Correct.
So this will be
This will be how much USDC can I get back for one Sol?
okay. We have what DEX struct,
X underscore struct
GPC clone,
dot
get muted.
dot get mute, correct?
Get mute dot token in. We do directly this, right? So can we directly rotate this as? Yeah, we should be able to do. Oh no, like this. This will be extract. This should not cry, right? Yeah. This
I
should
don't know actually. 𝗥𝗲𝗳𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀.
Let's just go. Fuck. That's why I don't use. Yeah, this should not cry. Oh, get mute. Wait.
Mute dot.
Okay, I cannot do this way. I have to do mute. This and we do enter and extract like this, right? This should allow us. Else we have to do one by one. Okay, we do one by one. Fuck it, by extract dot token in like this. Why is this crying?
Cannot be forward data and archive.
No, it will be this thing dot
Where
lock.
mutex doesn't have. Oh yeah,
No,
we
it's
do
not.
lock
Dot
out.
lock dot unwrap.
Yeah, we do unwrap. No, there's no unwrap. Wait. Okay,
Yeah. Wait. Dot.
unwrap. No. Okay, we directly get it mutable because internally it has mutex, right? So yeah, mutex guard. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Able to update it to the value as well.
Log.
Equal to 0 is what's the writing? Swap dot.
Swap dot amount unwrap dot amount in. Yep. Wait, okay, yeah, we have to.
Log the DEX struct.
Yeah, wait, let's just clone it for now. We should not clone, but okay, yeah, okay, swap equals swap dot unwrap. Yep.
Can you log just the DEX struct? It's actually not happening so quickly. Like at least 10 seconds के बाद someone's updating the poll.
We have to consider this thing is slow.
Why did it happen? एक साथ इतने सारे क्यों आए भाई?
Probably.
Block पूरा एक साथ आता है ऐसा? Okay.
It's like bunch of accounts piled up. क्योंकि we are using a public thing, right? So we don't have. Yeah.
So आपसे token in, token out, perfect. Token in हमने कहा था बेचेंगे. हमने कहा था बेचेंगे, right? Okay. उल्टा होना चाहिए, right?
We're selling Solana, so it should be.
Token should be 100. There's 1 9 and
This will be base and true. This is true, and this is also true. So that means we say 0 is Solana, 1 is USDC. So we give 0 for 1, and base is input, and we do so we do 1 sol. So we add 2 zeros, and then it becomes we need 1 more 0.
that's 100 sol.
Okay, yeah, we do.
Perfect. So that.
We need to update the RPC to something that is better.
So you're saying so RPC is just slow right now?
Yeah, it's public thing, right? So it's not unpo, but you need something faster.
You have something in Japan that's really fast.
Yeah, we'll sort that out.
You should eventually once it's done, just post a screenshot of Twitter if you ever make a profit. Profit achieved or something.
These are one-liner.
I'll it's like really slow.
Yeah.
Let's push it like if you're comfortable.
Yeah.
so hard to write code. It's a similar contract on Ethereum would it be easy to write? Like a TLMM or CLMM?
Yeah.
You know, काफी complicated math करी. I think those numbers.
It's like I have to do something else in 3 minutes, but like max to max 10 to 15 minutes. It's very easy, trust me.
Yes.
Even the off-chain calculation is easier than this.
Yeah, sure.
भाई मैंने तो पढ़ रखा है ना तो
Too damn complicated, guys.
What the fuck?
I think it's just the architecture.
Yeah.
Accounts and things like that. It's very surprising कि लोगों ने इतना code लिखा है.
This is so nothing. You should see. Wait, I'll show you something that is like mind blowing. We cannot.
More mind-blowing than this.
Yeah. So this is basically the math for Solfi. Solfi is a shadow DEX. Just read the comments in it. Huh? So this is This is the swap out math. Same thing. So it has stuff like market thing, conversion. Okay, but you start seeing weird. So there's a edge.
Oh yeah, you told me this, like the edges.
A time thing, volume, it gets complicated.
Makes sense. Alright, sorry.
Yeah.
Here, is it pushed already?
Yeah, but
Let's paste the link in the chat. Alright guys, this is the link to where we're at right now.
I think you need to invite key.
someone says,
No?
Huh?
You are coding right from now, right?
No, we're done. It's the day. We'll do it tomorrow. So 3 days stream.
Oh, it's 3 days.
I agree. You can do a video on only hands now. Right, that's it. Thank you so much, Dhruv. I think so. The first thing is done, which is so we go back to the you don't have the architecture here.
yeah.
But okay. Basically, if you remember the architecture, folks, we had 2 global variables. One was a DEX struct and a sex struct. This is populated. This we will populate tomorrow. Honestly, one of you guys can probably do this. Disconnect to backpack, get all the best bid and the best ask for a Sol USDC market, start to populate this as well. Then comes a third thread, which is this one right here. That will have the logic to actually execute the arb if it actually exists, which will be the harder thing to do over here. So hopefully you guys understood a few things. Are there any questions before we call it, guys? That flight to Chandigarh is making me anxious. Should be at the airport like 3 hours. Yep.
Nah, bro. I do 1 hour before.
I blocked this bot. Anyone have any other questions? Do you want to call it a night here, folks? Any questions before we call it?
Oh yeah. What about using something like Talks question? Read that one. Read this.
Which one? What about using something like that prevents application like Cluely from getting weird, big question to ask?
No, he's working on that.
I
No.
know. Making something that makes application like Cluely like prevents app.
Yeah, I already had it. It's not open source yet, but soon.
How do you do that? Though, that's the question.
So basically what happens is Cluely uses some specific native OS APIs, right? What you can do is hook into those APIs, and you can like list all the applications who are using like those specific APIs, and then you can like get a filter of it, right? And then you can just like exclude it from the OS screen sharing state. That's all.
Probably a good live stream to do at some point. Any other questions? How to join you? No, just be good at something.
Z just works with Rust, bro.
That just actually cursor actually is really bad with Rust. So I also have to.
Every ID is bad with Rust, so
Z is written in Rust.
yeah, Z is written in Rust.
That's why it performs well on Rust. Any other questions? No. We'll call it here then, folks. Thank you so much for joining. We'll see you guys most probably tomorrow or day after, where we complete the centralized exchange part. Then another stream on executing the ARB, then we're good to go. The project's done. Thank you everyone for joining and have a good night. Bye bye.